for apps
Oh, you're
that
so
they can
right.
write.
There we go. I'm live now. Hello, everybody.
So that's why all of our Godot stuff stores in app data as well on Windows, is because that's where we're allowed to. Where does it store on Linux again? Actually,
Hello, a
I
silly
don't
cat
remember.
dev, if you're still there. I'm finally
It's on
here.
local share, really.
Local share.
Local share.
I'll send
Is
out
that
an
where?
announcement in my
Oh
server.
shit, dude. That's where my fucking Dwarf Fortress saves are as well. What all does it show? Actually, I'm curious.
We should
Hold
play
on.
Magic on stream sometime.
Maybe.
That would actually.
I'm not like
probably
the
be
most
kinda
against
funny.
it, but
I do want to do some more like fun streams at some point.
yeah.
Maybe
All
even
right,
like
so-
once we're done with some more work. But
So you found out what was wrong with the animations. Respawn has their fucking attack animations loop between 3 animations to always make sure it can set the ideal sequence while also preventing the same sequence from being set twice. I have no fucking clue what you just said to me, but I'm so happy for you that
I
you managed
love
to figure it out,
people with
because
autism. They're my
it's the
favorite.
wrong autism. At least for me, like, to be able to be like, oh yeah, no, I get that, but like, I know that there's some shit that I did for that for like Super Mario 64 where it was just like, this is the most cursed, stupid shit ever. Holy fuck, I hate this. And so that's pretty cool that you managed to figure that out, because I know that feeling of relief whenever you finally understand it, but like the dread of, oh shit, now I have to work with it.
Okay, I'm joining the stream together.
Nice. Oh, I can actually turn on the shared chat.
All right, we're back. Okay, so
Some
that was
streamers aren't live. Oh no, it went away.
I got it. It took a minute, but we're back.
So if I reveal this, okay, nice. So we do have the item.
Oh yes, I remember last time. How do I reduce card cost?
The
I know there's the mana cost property. I found,
Yeah.
But I don't. How do I apply that? So if I like say card dot,
so what you can do is
there's
you
like
should be able
add
to take a
property
look
and multiply
at
property.
you should be able to take a look at the
I looked at
Tome
this.
of Efficiency,
Oh, okay, yeah.
because that one should have. Fuck, my UI is broken because I'm stupid and dumb, and I forgot that I made some. I tried to get something working last stream.
What's the dev name of that item?
Uh,
Isn't it like
Sacrifice Relic,
What?
I think.
Sacrificed hand size relic.
Yeah, that describes what it did, and it didn't have a
That
name at
might
the time.
be the worst name of all time.
Okay, dude.
I'm joking.
It can
I'm
be that. What
joking.
is this? Oh, I was highlighting Liberty's text. Oh, that's what the fuck? I have 2 clipboards on Linux. I didn't know that.
Should I get like those meta glasses so that way I
No.
can do like a coffee shop stream and stream me making coffee?
No, probably not.
I think that would go crazy.
What am I doing now? Oh, so I actually here's the chests, by the way. So it picks between these randomly based on the like chance that I set up before. And if it spawns a relic, which it isn't guaranteed to. So come on.
Yes, good
If it
idea.
spawns a relic, it will always spawn at. Oh my god, it didn't spawn a fucking relic, please. Oh my god. Wait, no, this should be cycling the RNG. There we go. It will only spawn a minimum of the rarity that's set.
Wait, those actually look kind of sick in the level, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I didn't like
Yeah.
them when they were just by themselves. It does look
The
kinda sick.
yellow one needs a little bit of work. The
yeah,
textures
the yellow
are a
one
little
needs
flat,
like a little. It needs some sauce.
but the red one looks good
Yeah.
once it spawns. There we go. Yeah, it looks good. Could maybe have some like glowing lights or some shit, but whatever.
Yeah, I think that would replace the current one, and then there'd be like a generic wood one. Because that one and like the kind of silver bordered one are a little too similar.
Yeah.
But yeah, those look sick.
Bunch of chests.
Can you make them only drop relics? Because I don't
Can I make
think
them
they
only
should
drop
not
relics? Yeah.
drop packs
Yeah.
anymore. I feel like you should definitely
Yeah,
be
I
able to
can
like
do
buy packs, but yeah.
You want there to be an additional drop chance still, I'm assuming.
Yes, yeah, there should be.
Honestly, the card drop could be an additional drop, and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
they
that's
could
fine.
just drop relics and nothing else.
Yeah, that sounds good. Because there should definitely be like a guarantee that you get an item. That would be kind of awful if you didn't.
Yeah.
I
wonder
don't mind
if
it having like an additional chance.
I wonder if this breaks if I spawn this in this level. Nope. Oh, I guess I haven't. Oh, nice. Hey, that works. So I set up in a way that it should be agnostic of the level.
That's very cool.
So like if I were to go over here and spawn it and ignore all of them doing their little bounce. So this guy should only spawn legendary relics. This guy should spawn purple and above. I hit the wrong button. Yep.
Very cool.
So that means he can also spawn legendary relics.
What are like the chances?
The chances currently are...
It should definitely be like a very low chance that it spawns a higher rarity.
Let me see.
Oh, right, because don't you have the...
Yeah, because yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, it would be like something like this.
Yeah, like that, definitely.
So it's like
maybe
way more common.
Yeah.
And then I think that this would just, if I like hit Q, maybe it doesn't update right now.
I love how they all do their little thing at once.
Yeah, let me actually, that doesn't feel like I can...
Oh, here, I can put this on stream for anybody.
That's weird. I can't help but notice that the icon is different on my overlay. I've just realized. Spawn.
What
chest.
Icon? For what?
Nothing for the game. It's on my stream. So common, uncommon, uncommon. That looks about right.
Chests.
Yes.
Oh. I thought I meant for the individual items in the chest. Like, what's the chance for it to upgrade?
Oh, like the chance for it to upgrade. What do you mean?
Yeah, like the rarity inside the chest. Like, if you open a common chest, what's the chances for it to have a rare or legendary? That's what I'm saying should be lower.
I don't fucking know.
Okay.
Those are not defined currently.
Okay.
They're defined on they're fun.
The rarity in the chest should be like that graph that you have there, but maybe a little smaller. Like,
yeah, I can do that.
Less chances
as well.
for the high
I
ones.
mean,
but for the chest drops, they should be more spread out, because I mean, say there's like 2 chests per sub level. That means there's 6 chests, and so yeah, we want people to be able to get good items fairly. I mean, right now I don't really care too much about balancing. So yeah, that can go down. The other one can go down. Like,
go to like like this mayhaps 60 30 10.
Even a little more maybe, but
I think this is probably fine.
Probably.
Just because like this can get legendary items, this can get legendary items. So like,
yeah, what I'm saying is we reduce those, or so we make the rare and legendary chests more common, but the chance for a like common chest to have a rare legendary item is a lot less. That's what I'm saying.
Maybe, yeah. Currently, it's just what is the minimum rarity.
Because if you open a common chest, there's like at least 90% chance that you get a common item. Like, it shouldn't be like 60% common, 30% rare.
Yeah, because I think it's like it's
like
currently
that should not be.
It's a hard-coded thing on the relic drop. But yeah, no, I can do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that way, when you see a rare chest, you're like, oh, I know exactly what rarity I'm gonna get.
Is there a way
and
to
they're more
make this easier to reproduce?
Hopefully that makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I want this to do the same exact thing, but like... Blah. Let's just copy this into this file and see where it goes.
Smell my magic cards instead of working on Dante 9.
Okay. You're like only a little weird, I guess.
Alright, bro.
I mean, like, I get it, but like, that's
it.
weird, man, you know?
It's not weird. These are cool planes.
Alright, buddy.
What? Got like little towers on it. Anybody in chat? Magic the Gathering enjoyers?
Let me see if I hit next. Does it actually? Okay, that's nice.
I should open
now I
some
get to listen to
packs on
break the
stream.
targets. Hey, Rolo, how's it going? How you doing? It's been a minute.
Okay. Oh,
Also,
I see.
you know what?
The mana cost is a. That makes sense. It is.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's that. Yeah.
So one really cool thing. Also, you do need to do the update cards method at the end there for it to actually go through, because cards don't constantly check their mana costs, and they don't have like a listener for updated things like that. Because it's on the player and not the. So yeah, you just have to do that. But that's not a big deal. It's just like a one-time update. For anyone who plays Magic and is a crazy fucking nerd like I am, there is a new secret lair coming out at the end of the month that I want to talk about really quickly.
This guy.
There's a secret lair back to school super drop. And in this are some not amazing ones, but then there's some really, really cool ones.
Are there any other interesting ones that you didn't show me?
So there's the My Little Pony ones that I'm not particularly excited about. But of course they put fucking Arcane Signet Soul Ring on My Little Pony because they're like, we want to make the most money from this. Fine, fair enough, I get it. More My Little Pony, by the way. So, of course. And then Omens of Chaos. I don't know what this is. I don't know if this is I think this is a secret lair like original property. I don't think it's like a.
Yeah, I don't think I saw that one.
Yeah. And then my fucking beloved.
They look so
secret
ugly.
lair X Dwarf Fortress.
They're like, yeah, let's just put some random characters on a card and people will buy it.
No, because there's a lot going on here. So these are dwarves. You can tell by the smiley face. This is a dragon who is breathing fire at the dwarves. Whoa. I don't know what O's are. I don't know what most of these things are, to be honest. I want to play the ASCII mode at some point. I should make an ASCII only thing, but I actually can put this one in my deck because I have this one in my deck.
All right, bro. You should make Godot cards. You are so correct.
You're so right. This one's also really cool. When this enchantment enters, any number of target opponents can draw a card. Or I make opponents draw a card, and then I put an ingredient counter on this enchantment. 1, and then for each card that was drawn. So up to 4. And then whenever I cast a creature spell, it enters with X additional 1/1 counters. So if I have 3 opponents, I can be like, you guys can all draw cards. And then while this is on the field, anything I put out gets +4/+4, which is kind of sick.
I just realized that I think us streaming like Magic on tabletop would be the funniest thing ever, given that I can't.
It probably would, yeah. I also don't know what this is. I don't know if this is an original property or if this is like a crossover. So I don't know. But I don't. These actually look fucking sick.
Those are kind of tough. Are there any actually?
These look really sick. It's just 4. It looks like this.
Yeah.
Like it looks so fucking cool, dude. The art is like so sick.
I like
this.
that guy.
Yeah.
Looks so jolly.
What is he wearing? Or what is he? I don't know what he's holding. I thought this was a box of tissues at first, I'll be honest. But there's also this Return to the Mystical Archive. I don't know what that means, but some of these look kind of cool. They're like old like Japanese watercolor style, it looks like. And then that's that. But then they also have the bundles, so you can buy everything for $514 if you want. It's $515 or $300 for the all foils. I'm definitely buying the Dwarf Fortress foil set, which I think was like $40.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, which is like the price of the game, but like doubled or something.
Yeah, that's fun.
Also, yeah, the Dwarf Fortress did get real graphics when it moved to Steam, and I play it now.
This guy loves Dwarf Fortress.
I do love Dwarf Fortress. I think it's great. Cardboard is very expensive. Cardboard crack, they call it, and JW knows exactly why, because he has started playing Magic.
Unfortunately. Actually,
like in the last like 2 or 3 weeks.
It's so much fun.
Like when we went to PAX, we played Magic.
I had like maybe 50
and
cards.
Yeah, he showed up with like no cards on him, and he left
I
PAX
had
with
like
600.
50. I had like 50.
Oh, you had like 50? So he left PAX with 550 more cards than he showed up with.
I think it was more than that, but yeah.
Probably, yeah. But a lot of those were from just events and shit. Like,
yeah.
The Two-Headed Giant would have been really fun if you didn't get mana dry forever.
Yeah, it was so sad, because like we were gonna do the last round, and I was gonna
swear,
cook
dude.
there.
Yeah,
and the deck was actually so good. Like the deck was really good. I just didn't get any
stupid
draw.
Fucking shuffle method pissed me off. It was so funny. So we were doing Two-Headed Giant, and which is like where we're on a team versus another team. And every game that we played, he was unable to play any fucking creatures because he didn't have enough lands in his opening hands ever. And then while we were waiting between games, I was like, let me see your deck. And I shuffled it, and then I drew a perfect hand, like a perfect turn one hand. And then I shuffled again, perfect turn one hand. I just perfectly. And then I was like, okay, you shuffle this and then draw a hand. And he shuffled it his way, and he drew a hand, and it was just terrible. And then I was like, try shuffling it the way that I do it, which is like not a riffle shuffle, but you just kind of like mash the cards together on the side. He did that, perfect hand. So we practiced our shuffle, because apparently his way of shuffling was somehow terrible. I don't get it.
Yeah, now my shuffles are like fine.
Yeah,
like every time I've played since then, it's been fine.
And then whenever we were like, okay, this is our shuffle mode. This is what we're gonna do the next game. Our organizer comes over and is like, all right, you guys have the bye for this round. And that was the last round. So we just didn't even play.
Yeah.
So once he figured out how to not mana starve him and stuff, I don't know how he managed to shuffle his cards in such a way where he just didn't have mana. I really don't get it.
Are you getting the SpongeBob
It's like,
set?
it's a little impressive, to be honest, but...
I was looking at some of the secret layer lands that they have that were kind of sick.
Mm-hmm.
There's a lot of really cool ones. So maybe someday I'll get some of those.
Shuffling is random. The problem is that he was using... I don't know how to describe it, but basically he would have like his pile of cards in his hand, and he would put a card here, 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 and then he would go back and he'd put a card here, here, or like you would just like put them into the piles.
I mean, it's supposed to.
And
like,
at the end, you would
out,
just like you would like stack the piles on top of each other, and then that's the shuffle, which is like.
Well, then I would also like do like the other shuffle as well. I mean, it wasn't like the only thing that I did. So.
But I also I just hate that shuffle because it just seems like it takes so much time. I don't get why people do it.
Yeah, no, I just saw somebody else doing it, and I was like, maybe that's like a good way to shuffle.
No, I think Stefa does it that way. Maybe.
No, it's like I saw a couple other people doing it like at the events, and I was like, oh, these people look like they know what they're doing, so I should probably do it that way.
Nah, dude, you gotta have your own way. You gotta be like, dude, this is fucking stupid. Don't ever do this. This pisses me off because I really don't get that shuffle. Like at all. Colors not clear. Oh, I see what I'm doing here. So I do just have a colors array.
Okay,
I have a lot of strong feelings about a lot of things. I think the GNOME desktop environment is terrible and is the reason that Linux has not gotten widespread adoption. Or if not just the reason, it's one of the reasons that Linux hasn't been widespread.
Wait. Why?
Yeah.
Hold up.
What's up? What's good?
30.
The first time you add it, it doesn't apply it.
No, it does.
Oh, it does?
It applies it to these guys as well, which it shouldn't. So I'm saying a card.get type is equal to equipment.
Mm-hmm. Because you're applying it to the user on line 8. You're applying it to the player.
Oh, so I should say card?
Yeah. Because the cards have, if there's a modifier on the card or on the player, it will apply stat things like that to the card. So that if we want to decrease mana, yeah.
I see, that makes sense, yeah.
Budgie. What is Budgie? Like the Destiny developers? Just kidding. That's Bungus.
Speaking of, we need to add Bungus.
Okay, sorry. Hold up. I got a question. Hello. If I had a damage over time effect on an enemy, should you make a new timer node for each effect? Because effects should run with each other if applicable. Or somehow use delta to keep track of time or something. You've been mulling over it for a bit. So I am personally... I guess it doesn't really matter which way you go with it. Effects should run with each other if applicable. You could have something like we have a time manager that handles a lot of things, and like some of the things we will like hit over time, so they like happen at the same time. So we have our time manager where things can hook into signals from this guy. However, I think that it's kind of up to personal preference on whether you want to use a timer node or a timer, like delta timer is usually what it's called, where you've got like your current time And then your physics process. And then your physics process. This is a resource. It's not actually going to have physics process.
But yeah, I just realized why I noticed on the sacrifice hand size, it has an export, but it's just a script that gets put into the relic spot. It's not an actual scene, is it?
Sorry, what's the huh?
So there's a sacrificed hand size relic here. It has exports. Oh, relic properties. Yes. Okay.
Yes, so those are assigned inside the relic.
Okay, perfect. So if I do this, would it show up on the relic?
Should.
Okay, that's really good because that means... does it?
Custom properties.
Oh, nice. Because this script is going to be the exact same for every single one of these. It's just a different card type.
Okay, yeah, you can also add add export enum.card type. Yeah, and that should just work because it's yeah, thank you lots. Yeah, for sure. I personally really like delta timers because it's easy to keep track of in my mind because I think in code way better than I think in nodes, but it definitely is personal preference. Timer nodes are nice because you can kind of set it and forget it. And you also don't have to worry about like writing your own logic for it. But if you want to reuse timer, well, actually, no, reusing timer is fine. But if you want to update the amount of time left, or if you want to update the amount of time that it takes total, sometimes that can be a little like finicky of like, what are the methods that I call? What do I do exactly? What are you trying to do, JW?
How do I make it? Can I make it export
just
the?
Can I just an export.
Oh, can I just?
Yeah.
Type
if it's an enum defined, you can just do enum.card type.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, export enum is specifically if you want like a list of strings.
Okay. Yeah. That's sick.
Yeah.
That's sick.
Yeah. I would say set it to a D. Actually, no, you don't need to.
Yeah, no,
you can. I probably would, but it doesn't matter. Close the resource and reopen it. So like click on a node and then open the resource up again. Does that work?
No.
Oh, no.
It's just the first one that's not working for some reason.
Just the first one?
Saying invalid access to property or key prop type on a base type of object dictionary.
What's the line of code?
It's in relic resource 77.
Relic resource 77. 77.
It's property can revert. What?
Where's the
Oh, it's in
sorry, what is it? Yeah. Let me just think for a second. So invalid access to property or type
prop type on base object.
Prop type. Let me do something really quickly. What's a good resource to... Is this a relic scene that you have right there, or what are you editing? Was it a relic resource or something?
Yes, it was. Yeah, it was a relic. It was like
I think I have sacrifice hand size relic works. Yeah, I can do that. I can do export var type. Enum.card type dot element. That actually would be a little different potentially. What's this? Okay, yes, that's an issue because of this invalid access. You can keep doing whatever you're doing. Probably.
Okay.
I think, yeah, you're probably fine to just keep working on whatever.
Right. I just need to make more of these now.
Type on base object of type dictionary.
Relic blue crystal. And we have relic purple crystal.
Type on a base object of type dictionary.
I'm like so creative, guys.
Yeah.
Then we got green crystal. Wait, which one is which? This is green. No, it's blue. Is effect. Yeah. Are these? Yeah, okay. All. Perfect.
Wow. Sorry, my fault.
That's okay.
Size. Maybe I have to do this really quickly. Also, sorry, you reference your videos a lot, especially the one about composition to make projectiles for your game. Seems like such a hurdle, but it's super powerful. Yeah, it is a little bit, or it seemed like such a hurdle, but it's super powerful. Yeah, there's definitely, like, I think you're gonna have to find your own, like, flow with it. Like, eventually, you set up composition in a way that your brain is just like, oh shit, here it goes, and then you kind of just, like, start moving with it, which is really sick. At least, that's what I've seen from a lot of people, is that they're like, this is weird, this doesn't make sense, and then eventually they're like, wait a minute, hold on.
I still
This
don't
kind
know
of
what
goes
I'm doing.
crazy. Happens. Valid access to prop type. Oh, wait, no. Wait. Print prop.
Where is my
How do
green
you
crystal?
run?
There you are.
Where's your what?
My green crystal.
Your green.
My green. Where my green at?
Let me reload this one more time. Finally making your first gaming dough. It's an incremental. It's interesting to see how I'm learning to think programmatically. It is really fun. Eventually, your brain kind of just like turns things into algorithms in ways that like you're like, oh yeah, I guess I can
It does?
set up these rules. Huh?
It does? How long till I get there?
Not you. You're a little different. Oh, because this is a fucking enum. It's a little weird, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I see. I see. I see. I see.
Yo, look at this. We got all the crystals. And they even got the colors. Isn't that so cool? Got the text color.
Whoa, that's sick, dude. That actually is. How'd you get the text color? What'd you do?
It's just BB code. It's easy.
Oh, you just did a BB code with it? Okay,
Yeah.
I don't remember if there was something that was like easier to set that up or not.
I really like this font too.
Yeah, it is really nice.
I think some of the pixels are a little squished, but like even with that, it still looks perfectly fine. Still some weird spots, but... got those working. One thing I want to do at some point, or that we need to do, is just like the main menu and how like starting the game actually works now. Because we want to have a different main menu, and then like the hub area, and then I probably want to have the tutorial in the hub area. I don't know where. I was thinking, kind of like the idea of the train taking you to the tutorial, like at the beginning, and then there's like an option to skip it if you want. If you've already played it. Like after you get to the tutorial, you can skip it from there.
Mm-hmm.
I just really don't want people accidentally just walking past the tutorial, because with this game, it is complicated enough that if you skip the tutorial, you might just be cooked. So that, and then also, I probably should start on some of the train animations and art, so that way we can get that in as like the teleporter and stuff. I don't see that being a difficult thing to do. I just don't know exactly what I want them to look like. or where exactly they'll play and how they'll play. So I'm not sure if we should figure out the mechanics of it first, or I just do some animations and stuff and hope that we can fit it in, or like a mix. So from here I need to fix this so it's not constantly spinning its wheels while it sits here.
That's true. Motherfucker be spinning it. Alright, time to fix this now. I get to sit here and actually make this work. So, funk setup gradients.
I do think it would be cool in the hub area to do something similar to what you do with the shopkeeper. Oop, that's not the right thing. Where when you click on it, it like plays a little animation where you like walk up to it and then you hop inside. So like maybe you hop into it, then it does like a little squish when you hop in. Because Dante's so big and heavy. What?
I don't like that.
He's gotta hold on those cards. Those cards are heavy.
I don't like that. I don't like what you're saying, and I don't like the way you're saying it.
You don't like Dante?
No, I hate Dante. But specifically only when you talk about Dante, because you talk about Dante in a weird way.
He's just a silly little cat.
No, you're just like, dude, what if we put 3 Jupiter stickers on Dante so he was really large?
I did not say that.
You said that, basically. The only part of that you didn't say was the second part directly after the first part, but you've said the second part in isolation.
This is not true.
You were like, we should add a bouncy ball card that turns Dante into a beach ball.
Wait, where did you get that idea? That's not a terrible idea. Oh.
I hate you, Jed.
Dante squishes very entertainingly. See, that's what I'm saying. He's just a squishy little guy. I'm gonna smell my magic cards again. They're so good.
You're insane. I'm gonna smell my magic cards again is crazy.
What? I need a little hit.
I need a little hit? No. Guys, Tempura Cat is... We need to like find a way to get him like sued or something so I get all of the rights to Dante's 9 so he can't buy magic cards.
Guys, donate to my Ko-Fi so I can buy more magic cards.
You're insane. Cardboard smells nice. Magic packs, yes.
Specifically magic cards.
When you open magic packs, there's like this like fucking... There's this waft of just like bliss that hits you.
I mean, even the cards have like the same smell. It's just when you open the pack, it's like stronger.
Yeah. It's like Pokemon cards don't smell like that. I imagine
it is like actually such a big difference. Like
it is.
Like I didn't realize it when when it's like we went to Supernova, I opened like a couple of both, and it was like that's kind of similar, but like Magic is like the packs are so much better.
Yeah, they are. They open cleaner. They smell better. That's the smell of money. Also, hello lawn things.
They're also generally cheaper, which is nice.
That's true. That's true. Magic cards are also they're an interesting one because if a card in Magic is expensive, you're like, oh, that's because that's a really good card. If a card is expensive in Pokemon, it's because they really like the character that's on the card.
Yeah, I love being able to actually play. Like, I just opened 2 packs yesterday, and I got absolutely nothing from them, but now I can use all these cards, which is nice. Like, I don't care that I can get anything, because then I get more cards to play.
Yeah, for sure, dude.
I mean, it would have been nice if I got something good, but...
What am I doing in load rarities? I need to... Let me pull up this fucking script in a different window. I can...
Anyways, okay, I'm done smelling my cards. What am I doing now?
Alright,
okay.
So here's Dante's 9 code. If I were to go to room, chest, no, what is it called? I always forget. I'm like stupid. Chest loot table? Chest room table. Yeah, sure, dude. I'm just going to leave this on a different monitor so that I can read what the hell I'm doing here. Load chests. Actually, what if I just like copy this entire function and then replace it with the correct variables? Shit. Actually, no, that's so fine. So I don't need to do that. This is fine. All rarities is an array of rarity, I think. And then I can do rarity dot keys. Mayhaps. I actually don't know if that'll work. Guess I'll have to find out. So sorry, hold on.
Mayhaps.
I'm somewhat new on Godot, and the question you have, is it possible to turn a 2D pixel with Mario-like platform? Okay, hold on. Let me reread this because I don't... Turn a 2D pixel with Mario-like platform with the 3D graphics. I don't know what the question you're asking is, but the answer is probably yes. You can do... Like, if you... I'm assuming you mean, like, if you have a 3D scene, can you put, like, a 2D scene in it? The answer is yes. What's the... Do we have... Is there a viewport container in 3D? Is there, like, a 3D... Sprite 3D?
Yeah, there's a Sprite 3D.
There's a Sprite 3D. Can I grab a viewport texture off this? Can I do, like, a sub-viewport... with a... texture rect inside of this. I'll just give it the boy kisser texture because it, you know, everyone knows what that is, I guess. And then put that there for now. Can I have this reference the sub viewport? I can. Okay, yeah. So like this, which is going to be a little hard to show off. But if I were to move this guy to like, I don't know, like 500 and then go back here. Oh, cool. Was that size? That was size. I'm stupid. If I were to move him like 500 pixels, he will be moved to a different spot. So you can use sub viewports to put 2D nodes inside of a 3D world.
Whoa, look at that. If
that's what you mean. You can also make this a transparent background so that as this moves around, I'm actually going to really quickly do this really quickly. Let me see if I can do something fun and cool. I make this a tool script and then func is expresses if input dot is action pressed. Oh no, they're called. It's just called left in this game, right? I think that's what you called them.
What? What are they called? Oh, the
nothing. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, I know you don't. It's fine. That's why I'm saying don't worry about it. It's chill, dog. I think I can do this, and if I go back and forth, does it not? Oh, it doesn't. I actually have to save it. Whatever, it's going to the base folder. Right doesn't exist, so I mean UI right? I guess I do. I didn't think I did, but apparently I do.
Where is my...
Is that... There we go. So I can have this move. Not that it's particularly usable, but you can make it move. If you don't make sense, you don't know how to properly explain it. It has 2D pixels in a 3D world. I'm assuming you mean like this, where you can have like a sub viewport with 3D in the world. So I would just look up how sub viewports work in Godot, and you can project them onto a texture in 3D, and it will update accordingly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just kill everything in this scene because this scene doesn't need to exist anymore. So, can I show you the game in a second? It is currently broken because I'm stupid and dumb. All rarities. For that in all rarities. RS chance loot table. No. No. Rarity weights, I think is what it would be, and then it would be a dictionary dick. stationary, mapping rarity to a float. A gloat. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. Rarity weights sub R is equal to step. Yes. Does that compile? That seems like it does. It should be uncommon chest loot. If I open this up, does it break? If I load this, does it work? Nope. So I have to reload the project really quickly. Wow.
Oh, I should make some crit chance items and stickers because we have crits now.
Yeah.
What would be good for that? Art-wise, obviously.
Obviously, he says.
Obviously.
Obviously, of course. Read this about trying to assign an array of type array to a variable of type array int. What the fuck are you talking about? On what line? Here? As array rarity. Is that gonna work?
I'm thinking. What if there was a card that gave you like higher crit chance for each copy of a card you have in your deck? So like, say you have a card, you have like 3 rusty pistols, it would have like 30% extra crit chance because you have 3 of them. And you get like 4, it'd be 40% for each.
So it's based on...
So for
each card gets extra crit
for however many of that card you have in your deck, yeah.
Yeah, I think that's fine. I think that goes crazy. You think, you haven't used Godot in a long while, and you wonder if it's possible to have something akin to C++ members for Godot scenes or components. I don't know. What do you mean by C++ members? C++ members? Like fields? I actually don't know what you mean by that. I'm sorry.
What, you don't like use C++ constantly all the time?
No, I have used C++, but I don't know
this guy doesn't
exactly.
Use C++, that's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
What should the Dante plushie do? What should the Dante plushie do?
Spawn a little Dante.
Spawn a little Dante?
It's a little Dante, yeah.
Little Dante. So which item does the opposite?
What do you mean, what item does the opposite? What are you talking about?
What item should the increased crit be for each card? What would be good for that?
I have no idea.
Chat, give me item art ideas. Chat.
So setup gradient, we'll make a new gradient, and then I will go into the old setup gradient function that I have here. Actually, is that what I have? No, this is something different. Up, and then I will...
Vinny, we got 6 wish lists yesterday, and guess how many we got today?
I don't like where this is going.
We got 7. 6, 7.
Whoa, that's so crazy.
Wait, I need to like make an add-on for Veto Tube so I can make my little guidey 6, 7. And have it like be voice activated, so it's like if it hears me say 6, 7, it just like automatically does it.
I hate you so much.
So that way when anybody says it, it just automatically does it, so I don't even have to think about it. Because we all know I don't do that. But if I was to think about anything, it would be 6, 7.
Dude, I'm thinking about it more. And you are so right that a magic stream would go crazy. Because hearing you try to count to any number that would be reasonable of a 2-year-old is fucking insane.
We could probably
I'm thinking about the time that you went 1, 2, 3, and then you played a card, and Nasty just went, oh, dude, he's taking his time with it. And I looked at the card, and it cost 2 mana, so he somehow managed to fuck that one up. It's not even that like it had a reduced mana cost because of something else. It just cost 2 mana on the card.
I misread it. Okay.
How? It says red and 1.
Don't worry about it.
Like, it's crazy, man. What is... Wait, why are you not... Invalid index type, chest loot table for a base of type. What? Oh, yeah, you're so right, dude. That's
Anyways,
supposed to be a rarity.
I forget. I was gonna make the
Color,
lollipop something,
get
and I
rarity
forget what it
color.
was. I'm not gonna lie.
Rarity color, rarity. Colors that append color.
Wait.
Oh, sorry. C++ class members fields is what you mean. You've been using that. Indeed. So we don't have any, like, I'm assuming you're talking about like private and public. We do not have direct private and public. Everything is public by default in GDScript. However, typically the notation that you'll see is if something is supposed to be private, it will have an underscore. So that, excuse me, whenever you look at an object's properties, anything that's supposed to be private is usually at the bottom of the list because it has the underscore. But it's also just like a, you probably shouldn't fuck with this. I personally don't really subscribe to that too much, but like I don't adhere to that very much. Fortunately or unfortunately, but private and public members are fine, but you can get away with not using them.
What should the propeller hat relic be called? Should it be called silly hat or like just propeller hat? Let's go with propeller hat.
Propeller hat.
How do I prop?
TROP. ELLOR.
OR? It's not OR. Chat.
Oh no, it is ER. Lol.
I told you. Get spell mogged.
Damn, that's crazy. JW managed to spell mog me one time ever. Count to 3 without going over. I don't know if he can do it. I don't think he can.
I can't do it.
Why is this not? Oh, because this isn't rendering because I don't have property list enabled. Let me also add this. What a weird one. I don't know why this code is written like this, but it is, I guess.
Okay, so the propeller hat adds 3 random cards to your deck, and the lollipop gives you a random sticker on every card in your deck. So they both kind of do similar things. Since they're kind of similar, you know? Makes sense?
Yeah, dude, for sure, dog. For sure, dog, at the... So color, offset, chest index is colors.find color. Colors? What the fuck was I cooking here? Colors.find color. Okay, yes, this would be actually rarity index. Yeah. Which I think would just be that. I think I could just grab that, yeah, perhaps. And then I could do this. Oh shit, debounce timer's not declared. You're so right, dude. Get over yourself, though.
What?
Yep.
Why do I feel like actually awake on the stream today? Maybe it's because I had to take like a half an hour to try to reinstall OBS.
Probably that one, yeah.
Ooh, look, it's almost Slay the Spire 2 time.
You might be like one of the worst people to ever do it.
I might.
Why are
Me when counting.
Why are these... What? Rarity weight, sub rarity index as rarity. Okay, well I guess I could just do fucking rarity.keys sub rarity index. That's annoying, but whatever. That's probably fine, hopefully. Out of bounds 3, shut up. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh. Huh. That's What did I do wrong? Gradient. We do that. Set up gradient. Load rarities. Turn switch off and on. Something's evil and fucked up. Sorry, let me catch up on chat. Sorry, I was locked in for a moment. You don't know much about onReady and export. You try to find them on Godot docs. You couldn't find them. So they should be. I do kind of hate that these don't have their own page. I think they don't, at least. Last time I remember, like if I do export. Oh yeah, I guess so. You open this up, and this mentions this up here at the top. But if you click GDScript exported properties, it's under the whole GDScript thing. I guess is like your best bet of finding it is on this page. So these are called annotations. Anything with an @ is an annotation. And there's a few of them, but the main ones you'll see are export and onReady. You can also, inside of Godot, you can control click on this and it'll take you to the documentation for the annotation. And yeah, and onReady runs right before the ready function.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh? What's uh-oh?
Oh, wait, that might be a little stupid.
Okay, that's good. What's uh-oh, though?
So, one... the propeller head has the wrong script. And two, I think the lollipop is still broken.
Yeah, I haven't fixed that. I didn't push any update.
Oh, you were fixing
that? You didn't pull any changes.
Okay. Oh, was I supposed to do that?
No, that you didn't pull any changes because I didn't push any.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I haven't gotten a chance to fix that one, but...
Okay. So this one
yeah, that's
will probably
expected.
also
The
do
first time you
same.
add it won't do anything. It's once you
Okay.
add the second level it does. Because it's weird.
Okay. I assume it'll probably do the same for this one.
It should be. If you're doing the same thing where you're
I'm literally doing the
adding
exact same
something
thing, yeah.
on creation, yeah.
Yeah. There we go, 3 random cards. Beautiful.
Yeah. Yeah. Why is this so fucked up?
But hey, look at that. We made like, what, that's like 5 items now since last stream.
Index. What are you fucking rendering this as? Rarity. Index. What do you think you are? 0, 1, and 2. And if I were to print rarity.keys.
We now have 21
This
items. That's pretty good.
Common, rare, legendary. Should this not be...
Okay, so 21 items and 30 cards currently. That's not terrible. I think a few more and that should be plenty for a demo. Maybe. I'm always bad at knowing like how many of something there should be. Oh, I forgot I can't pause the game or open the settings menu or anything. Very cool.
Yeah, that'll be fixed eventually. Hopefully, probably, potentially.
Eventually. What?
Yeah, eventually.
Okay.
Yeah, I just don't feel like doing UI today.
This guy hates me.
Yes, this is true. I'm glad you finally understand.
Yeah, I do. It's okay.
Wow.
Oh, is that Zoe?
Sorry. Yeah,
Really?
my fault. My fault, Gangathy. Can I get like a rarity? Oh wait, no, I can just do rarity index as rarity, right? No, that won't work. Because I don't think that is a rarity.
Okay, so
No, it's not.
let me think. Main menu. What do we want on the main menu? You know what might be useful here is game UI database.
It's true. Very good website.
Let's look at some main menus. Main menu, screen type. Very cool. Let's see. What do we got?
What is this taken? Value variant.
What do we got in here? Can we sort this by like pixel art?
I should know a little bit more about these.
Themes, aesthetic, camera? No. Genre?
This is values, right? Values as rarity. I think this is what I want. Yeah, that looks more correct. So now I can do this and say rarity is this. Does this work? The answer is yes, that does work. So now, there we go. All right, I did the thing that you wanted. You see,
the thing that I wanted? What's the thing that I wanted?
So this is the chest. This is the loot weights. So if you want to be able to set this guy to have like a super high chance of rares or like a low chance of rares and a no chance of commons.
Oh, that looks very good, yes.
Or alternatively, you can set
copy animal well.
Sorry. I'd love to hear your guys' opinions about the new Godot update and features. Very excited for something from the update. I don't remember what it was. Let me take a look. 4.7's got some really cool things coming in very soon. Let's see. What are we seeing? It was... This one's cool. I wish that we had this a while ago, but it's fine. I mean, mobile games are mobile games. It doesn't look amazing, but it's better than nothing, so...
I mean, I imagine you can change
Drawable texture's okay. Huh?
I mean, I imagine you can change what it looks like.
Yeah, I'd imagine it's,
like, it's probably just the default.
It's probably a theme or some shit.
Yeah.
Non-exported members in Remote Tree Inspector. Yeah, that's fine. I mean...
I'm a big fan of like the dead cells where it's like just like a big background and like stuff on the left.
Yeah. Wait, what? Does this exist already? Add one-way collision direction for collision shape 2Ds. Do we not already have that?
I think it's the direction in which it's one way.
Yeah, I thought we already had that.
No, I think you can just set it as one way and that's it. I don't think you can set the direction.
Really? Oh, I guess you can. Yeah, you can rotate it, but I guess that.
But you can't set the direction.
I see. Okay, I thought we had that. Maybe we had that in like Godot 3 or something, but I don't remember. There was
Enter the Gungeon's got a fire main menu too.
Oh yeah, actually the
minus the mixels.
There is one big change. Where the fuck did the list of changes go? Is it in my other window? It is. I'm blind. It's right here. 4.7 dev 1 is the one I just looked at. 4.7, I think it was dev 3 that has the thing that I'm interested in, but I guess this one's really cool. The fact that you're going to be able to support, like, you're going to be able to close these because animations can have a fuck ton of things in it. It's definitely dev 3 that has it, unless it's dev 4, but I'm hoping it's dev 3 so I can say I was right. It's that Lucid Block. Lucid Blocks was made in fucking...
Yeah, it's made in Godot. You didn't know that?
Yeah. Okay, this one's really big. So controls are positioned by their container parents if they're in a container, but this allows you to add an offset so that you can animate them from within a container without having to do some weird shit, which we're currently doing some weird shit. There might still be something that is not included in this one. Okay, it definitely was a dev 4, the thing that I was specifically thinking about, which is this thing. So being able to drag things around, there's an easier way to tell where something can go. They like improved the ability to drop something either as a sibling of something or as a child of it. Because currently it's a little bit, you kind of have to take a guess every now and then. So they finally upgraded that, which is great. Last names instead of resource IDs looks great. Yeah. Yeah, we got a lot of nice things coming in the new updates. I also, whenever I get some time, I would like to go in and make an update that is the ability to go to something within the remote scene tree after you search for it. Because I hate having to tunnel down into the scene tree. Because like, if I want to select Dante in the tree, I can search for player, and there he is. But once I clear the search, it doesn't keep that there, which is really annoying. So I'm like, damn. Oh, I guess I can do that. That's such a weird... Okay, that's actually really cool to know, but it's a weird workaround. I can hit back on this and then go forward, and it'll re-highlight it. But honestly, they should have done these updates a long time ago. It's open source, brother. I don't know when they get time to it. I mean, it's really whenever someone sees something that they're able to fix, they go in and fix it. Let's see. So that works. I now need to actually implement this. So
hello, jump scare. I accidentally hovered over the card.
Help! Help!
Yeah, pretty much. And then instead of... So... Where the fuck am I? Oh, I'm not in the place that I want to be. So there should be a minimum rarity in here. I don't want to do that anymore. I have the loot table dot rarity weights. Yeah, so that is actually going to be assigned here.
Honestly, we probably could just use like the same background here. Just be lazy. I wish I could do something nicer, but that might be just more effort, and maybe do that later.
Yeah.
I just don't know. I'm kind of like the off center a little bit, like the
you kind of
left side, or maybe we keep it like this if we're gonna use this background. Some games will have like a centered like logo and buttons down the middle, and then some of them will have it like off to the left, or like the bottom left.
Yeah.
And then have like some big art piece in the back or something. Which I think if I had time to do some nice art, I would like to do that. But I think for now, I think just like vertical buttons in the middle would be nice. Yeah, just like a few buttons down the middle.
Hello.
I think we go with that. Yeah. How hard would that be for me to do?
What's up?
To swap out the card buttons for like just normal buttons?
Not hard, probably. Actually, it'd be like very easy, probably. So I think you would just go where they're set, and you would just replace the cards with buttons, and then add a. The only thing you need to do is you need to add a component to the buttons, which is just a focus item, and that's it.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, honestly.
Okay, it's just
you might
clicked. Okay. Yeah.
Is it? Oh, it's called click. That's unfortunate.
Yeah. That's okay.
If it was pressed, you could probably just like drag and drop.
Yeah.
Like you could probably just change type, but whatever.
Let me see
Good
if
luck.
I can before I do that.
What's the most frustrating thing I've experienced in Godot? The
Working with me.
well, that's not in Godot. That's just a general thing.
Yeah, I know.
I get frustrated being around you. I mean, we played Magic last night, and that was.
Hello.
Dog, you won. What are you talking about?
I won. I didn't feel good about it. It was cool to know that that deck can do that, but I didn't feel good about it.
I love how you won without playing your commander.
Yeah. Well, because I was gonna play my fucking commander, and then Nacito said, all lands to exile, or all graveyards to exile, and I was like, okay, dude, well...
No, that was me that did that. Or no,
No,
to
Nacitos.
exile, right? I
Yeah, Nacito's... Because
Did
I
do
don't
that
care
to
about...
you?
Huh?
I think... No, I didn't
No,
do that
he did that
you.
to everybody.
No,
He exiled all
I
graveyards.
put all of his graveyard on the bottom of his library. And I think I
Yeah.
technically did that. I think I technically could have doubled it to you as well because of Ashley.
Maybe, I don't know.
But I chose to not do that because that would be evil.
The most frustrating thing I've experienced in Godot, though, I have an answer for you, which is when we swap rooms, what we do is if this is the tree, let me draw a little tree really quickly. So if this is our node tree that goes down like this, and you have your room, I don't. Why the fuck did I try to write room like that? I like combined the last part of the whatever. So if the player's down here, whenever we swap rooms, what we do is we like snip this room off and then put a new room on. And then we take the player out of this room and put them as a child of this new room. What's really annoying is that when you take the player out and then put them in the new room, the position of the player, even if you update it on the physics server, the position will be the old position for a single physics tick, which means that if we had a room where, let's see. So if we had a room where there was an exit right here that led into this room's entrance right here, and this room also happened to have an exit, when the player touched this exit, they would be taken out of the tree and their position would be updated to be right here. But because their position for one single physics tick still existed right here, when they were placed in the new room, they would trigger this exit, which would cause them to teleport like 4 rooms to the left whenever they exit this room. Because if there was like a sufficient chain of rooms with an exit right here, it would just like keep chaining it.
I forgot.
And that was
that
very
one.
annoying.
That was kind of funny.
It was funny, but it was very annoying. And I think I actually have I actually might have like a better solution for it than what we're doing right now, but that's okay. I don't need it to implement it because what we have works. Because I think I can probably just tell the physics server specifically, hey, this RID is gonna be at this position.
Hello.
Instead of not doing that.
Okay, so cool. Those buttons are where I want them.
Hello.
What's that? Oh,
I'm just button.
button.
And then
Button.
okay, yeah, I'll worry about what script I put on them later. Let's make them
Yeah,
look
well, the
nicer.
buttons themselves can be any script. It's just they will have like a component on them that's just called focus item.
Oh, they have a like as a child of them.
Yep.
Oh, okay, that's cool.
So you don't need to do anything scripting wise. It should just automatically handle the ordering of the if you move them around, it'll automatically tell whether it's like a left press, right press, up, down, whatever.
Tough alert. Tough alert.
Yeah. Tell me if it breaks because it might.
Yeah.
It probably will.
Might make a new
let's
theme for these
see.
guys.
Actually, I can do weight on laps. I could say if minimum, not minimum rarity. This is called rarity.
Actually, we probably won't have a load seed in here. That would be like in the actual. Once you basically, the start button will take you to the hub area. And then potentially, once we add like saving and loading, we might have it that you could like continue a run from the main menu. Because you wouldn't like go back to the hub before continuing, but that's the only thing that I can think of that would be different. I think maybe the wish list button would be like off to the side. Maybe we just have like settings and start game settings and exits. That's all we need. Do I have the fonts? Like the font variations on the theme? Where's the font variation?
You should.
Actually, I don't know if
they are under a rich text label.
Okay.
Because they have to be set up on a per object basis.
Okay.
Like a per type basis.
Yeah.
As far as I'm aware.
No, empty button. What does the empty button look like?
Should just be empty with nothing behind it. Should just be text.
Cool.
Yeah.
Are we using that for anything?
I don't fucking know.
Okay.
Yeah, no, to be honest,
I mean,
have
I
no
assumed
clue.
you made it because you do all the UI stuff, so I don't know.
Hello.
And I mean, either. Find out.
Okay, so noting
The button.
because I was thinking I would want it to be maybe just the
Is it-
text or like a dim box. I'll just make like a custom theme for it. Why not? Or I guess a theme override.
Oh, the sticker button. What are you trying to do?
This because I don't like how this button looks at all.
So what do you want to change about it?
That's what I'm trying to figure out what I want it to look like.
Okay.
I was thinking like a big bar that goes across that's always the same size for each button.
Okay.
And then like it would Maybe just be the text, and then when you hover over it, like a bar would show up over it.
Maybe. Rarity weights is this. I guess I could do weight stop merge, but I don't know. No. Wait, does this just fucking work, actually? This might just work. I'm gonna run the game and see if it breaks, because I think that'll be the fastest place to realize where I forgot to do something. Okay, so it broke immediately, which is, like, a little surprising, but I guess that makes sense. What is this? What are you? Chest room table. You're broken? Oh no, our table is broken. Color utility, rarity, color, chest, minimum rarity. I see. I understand. And here's what I'll do. Chest loot table. You will actually have a export to bar chest rarity. Just for funsies. And then I think if I run the game, that'll work. Hopefully. Okay, cool. That's a good crash. That's fine. Really? I see. Tiered relics. Yeah. Okay, I see what you're saying. I understand what's going on.
Okay, let's see if this works. Why is it trying to translate a cat emoji? What is wrong with
fire.
YouTube? Here we go, buddy. This is exactly what I was thinking. See how it's like blank, then when you hover it, there's like a little bar, and then when you click on it.
Yeah. I don't like that it gets lighter when you click it.
Should get darker.
That feels wrong. I don't know, to be honest, with something like that, but it feels wrong for it to get brighter when you click. Because a darker is usually the click action in my mind.
Alright, okay, bro.
Oh shit. Wait, did that work? Uh-oh. I forgot that.
Yeah, you're right. Why is
yeah, it feels...
It's translating your cat emojis. I hate this.
If we live in hell, would you lament? Give me a second. Lament definition. A passionate expression of grief and sorrow. I don't think so. I think if we lived in hell, I'd probably just, like, open up League of Legends. I'm sure they got that bitch on, like, fiber. It's hell, dude. Like, I'm sure they hella have League of Legends connection going crazy.
These cards smell so good.
Brother, there's no way you're still smelling your fucking magic cards, you freak.
No, why would I do that?
Okay, so this looks like it might be working. Let's find out. Let me get like a rare chest to spawn. Please give me a rare chest. Rare chest, please. Any rare chests in chat? There we go. I need you to move out of the way, card pack. Thank you. Goodbye. Uh-oh. Oh, no, I didn't set up the rare chest, so that's fine. Because I didn't tell it to be a rare chest yet. Right? Yeah, load rarities. And then, let's set this bitch to only drop legendary loot. Oh, that's annoying. my XP is low or whatever.
Yeah.
Does this? All right. There we go. So that's a legendary item. The red chest. That's a legendary item. That's a legendary item. Okay, yeah. So this looks like this works. So you can set up a per chest loot table now.
Very cool.
So common chest loot. We can say that we want this to be like very low chance for red, 5% chance maybe, and then like a 40% chance or like a 35% chance, like a 6, 35, and 5 maybe. So this guy will most likely drop common, and then rare chest, which is actually legendary, will always drop a legendary item, and uncommon will drop no common items, but mostly this. Thoughts and/or prayers?
So there's no
What was that?
legendary chest, sorry? Or is there?
There is. It's just called rare because I know.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I just wasn't sure because you did the uncommon one last, so then I wasn't really.
Yeah,
paying
it's
attention
because
very
it's
closely.
alphabetical order down here.
Yes, that looks good. That looks very good.
Yeah, and then the rooms themselves. So I can say that I want here chance for it to be a common chest, uncommon chest, and a rare chest can be set per floor as well.
Yeah.
Yay. I do need to make these locked chests though, so let me do that. Alright, that's done. So I think now if I spawn in this chest I can't open it. Correct. We do need like a little... I wonder how we want to signify that we can't open up a chest. We obviously want like a little sound or something like that. Should the chest like do like a little shudder or something, I think?
Wait, what? Sorry, I'm...
So let's say chest.
Mm-hmm.
I have no keys. I can't open it.
Oh, yeah. Just make it do like a little shake, yeah. And I can make a sound for it. And just put a spot for the sound. Make it a really annoying sound. You know how it is by now.
Make it a really annoying sound.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Why are there translated cats in my chat? I am so confused. Like, it doesn't even change. I hover over it and nothing changes. Like, is this cat in Chinese or something? Ni
This
hao,
is what this cat
cat?
would look like if it was black or Chinese.
Hold up. I have an image for this.
Huh?
Where is it? Where is it? I know I
have
have
an
it
image
somewhere.
for this. Uh-oh. Run and hide, guys. Run and hide.
Oh, FGL is sitting in DC all by himself. Should we go say hi?
FGL. Oh, FGL. I was like... I thought you were talking about Wilson's group FDL, and I was like, what do you mean he? There's one person that it's named after? I didn't know that.
There is. You didn't know that?
There's an FGL, dude. Holy shit. No
You
shards,
should just
dude.
ping and just say hop on stream. Actually, I'm gonna do
FGL?
that. I'm just gonna I'm gonna open up the chat.
That is too much movement. I don't see enough movement. Also, your favorite furry streamer, Lytic brother. If a non-furry is your favorite furry streamer, maybe you should find a furry streamer or something, because I ain't a furry streamer. You got the wrong guy, pal. You got the wrong guy, buddy. Maybe I should do like a little rotation as well. A little bit of 5-degree rotation in the other direction first. Oh, bitch. Not 0.05. Yeah.
Meow. 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 Meow.
What
That
the
was a
hell are
crusty
you
meow.
trying-
I'm sorry. I'm
What
meowing
was
along.
that
I'm
supposed
meowing
to-
along to my song.
What song?
The end credits of Knuckle Sandwich.
What's wrong with you?
I don't know actually.
Oh, what? Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm dying. I'm dying, guys.
What's wrong with you? Just instantly fucking collapses into dust.
I mean, yeah, I do that a lot.
Yeah. A lot?
Yeah, every once
Do
in
you?
a while.
Okay.
Hold up, I'm trying to find it. Where is it? I know it's in here somewhere.
Brother. He's like, I need to find this guy. Hold on, I have a meme for this. He's
I have
going
a-
down the
hold on, I have
elevator
a
right now.
meme
He's
for
Peter
this.
Griffin going down the elevator right now.
Who's Peter Griffin?
Who's Peter Griffin? The best background noise for Rivals of Aether ever? What are you
Oh,
talking
that guy.
about?
Yeah. I know him.
Yeah. He's in Fortnite. Wait, Visuals isn't... What? Visuals isn't being used? Are
Did
you
I not
fucking
send it
kidding
to
me?
Morgul? I thought I did.
It's a Morgul? Mortal?
Morgul. Oh, you know, I could just search by images. I forgot I can do that.
So I just moved it. How much did I move this? I moved this down from minus 40 to minus 12, which is a difference of 28, which means I need to subtract 28 from the... Oh, I guess... cool. Yeah, that'll just end up at minus 40. Sick. Perfect.
Yeah, I can't find it. Never mind. It's okay. It's over. Okay, anyways, settings menu.
Wait, does this work? Oh, shit. I'm dumb. I'm dumb. Okay. Well, time to go edit this animation inside of scene file again. I did this last stream. I'll do it again in case anyone was thinking it was a fluke. Any chance I could just like... I can control D this and then end up here and do minus 28. Highlight this bitch and then do an Emmet. Yeah, I think that works. What animation is that? Locked. Oh, sick. I'm glad that I chose that one to test it on. Sick. That I don't think worked, actually.
I love the part where the theme variation doesn't do anything.
What are you talking about?
Header large.
Mm-hmm.
Header medium.
I don't know why those are showing up there. They
Header
shouldn't
small.
be. So that's the default Windows theme, I think.
Oh, is
Mayhaps?
it? Oh, it was.
So
is it
rich text
label?
labels.
Oh, it's a rich text
Yeah,
label.
they are not the same. They do not even inherit from the same class.
Rick text label.
Yeah, Ridiculous Tech.
Should just let me switch it. Why did it move down slightly? When I
Because they're
replaced it?
different.
I mean, I know they're different. It's just funny that it just moves.
Because it has like a different font size, I think, because
By
of
2
the
pixels.
default theme stuff. Don't change font size if
I
you
know.
can.
I was just
change
looking
the...
to see if it is the same font size. Hitting large. Oh, very cool.
Public.
Public. Guess you go with the slightly larger one.
What am I doing, man? What am I doing? I don't either. That's why I'm asking. What am I doing? This is set to minus 12. This is set to minus 40. Spawn makes it spawn, and then it's slightly below the ground. Okay. So in the spawn animation, I have to find spawn. And I have to find the sprite 2D position, and I want to move all of these down. Move all of them up by minus 28.
Oh, but Slay the Spire time.
Okay, hopping on.
Hello.
Just kidding.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, that works. If I hide the buttons, does it stop me clicking on them?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So I can just keep
Hopefully.
them, hopefully. Because I'm hoping I can just keep them
Hopefully.
there, so that way I can copy stuff, because also some things like the tutorial and wishlist button will not be used.
Hello.
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
Yep. Oh wait. Why is it? Why was it helloing?
Probably because those
Probably
are
like
the
automatically selects.
yeah, because it highlights the first thing in the group
Yeah.
that exists.
It's already. I really like this a lot better. They could definitely
Yeah.
use some they could use some like scaling and stuff as well when they
You can do a little bit of a like a shake
yeah.
to it as well.
yeah.
Like wow. VS Code to manually adjust animations is crazy. Well, it's because this animation was set up in a weird way.
Also, how do I get rid of the scroll bar on the
Turn off scroll active.
scroll active? There we go.
Yeah, like all of these need to be moved down. Actually,
Very cool. So you said, let me go ahead and rename these. So this is start button. I also shortened. So originally it was like start game options and like exit, and now it's just start options and exit. So it's a little cleaner. Because I looked and that's what like Gungeon and Dead Cells do. So that obviously means that's the correct thing to do.
of course, of course.
So I am adding. What? What am I adding? Focus something? Focus item?
Yeah, focus item.
Look, I figured it out. I didn't even need your help.
Mm-hmm. Look at you go, man. You figured it out, dude. I'm so proud of you, dude.
Yay! Yay!
Me when I'm lying. Hey, I'm just curious. Why is the rotation weird?
Do I need
Rotation feels
to change
wrong.
anything here?
Shouldn't. Hopefully. Oh, I think it's because the rotation's the wrong way around. It should be
Hello.
guess
Hello.
-5 probably. And then
Hello.
2.5.
Hello.
Maybe not actually.
Hello.
This is hurting my ears.
Hello.
How
Hello. Hello.
I'm thinking
He's
in
thinking.
terms of controller.
Hello.
Do I need to do any setup here?
Try
I
arrow
think-
keys.
I think it's focusing the other the cards.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you hovering over those and is it making sound as you hover over them?
Yes.
And yeah, it should be focusing the things that you're hovering.
Okay, so it's,
Are you using arrow keys?
I'm using arrow keys right now.
Mm-hmm.
Pressing any of them makes sounds, but it doesn't do anything.
So so on the old ones, go into the scene for the old cards
Yeah.
and delete the focus item off of it.
Okay.
And that should stop them from getting focus.
Okay. Yeah, because I don't know why it would be doing that. I don't know. You're the UI guy. No, nothing's happening.
Nothing's happening at all. If you hover over it, it doesn't make sound.
It makes sounds when I hover over it. I'm hovering over it.
Mhm.
I can do it up once, and then nothing. Down once, nothing. So here I'm going to I hover over it. I can press down.
Yeah.
It says hello, and now it does nothing.
Can you do me a favor and
I can also do right, which is a little weird, and left.
do you have a controller close to you?
But yes,
That's plugged in.
yes,
See what happens if you move left stick.
nothing at all.
Nothing at all. What are the
Still nothing here.
what's the style for the button? Can you go to the button styles, whatever the fuck you're using?
The button styles.
Yeah, how did you make it highlight?
I just changed like the press style, like the
You've got normal, you've got pressed, you've got at least one more for sure.
hover.
And you don't have focused.
There is a.
Can you drag the one from hover onto focus? I don't know where you're going. You can also hide. You can click on the style to make them like collapse. You don't have to like scroll a mile
There
away.
you go.
All right, and then load back into the game and see if that does anything.
Okay. Oh, I
You
also
shake
probably
and
have to change
shake.
that for all of them because it only does it for the one.
You probably
Since
can't
it's
shake
overriding it.
pity.
That should
maybe,
be hard.
but yeah, I would say probably make like a theme
Yeah, still
variation. Still nothing.
Mm-hmm.
Can you look at the console and see if there's anything showing up in that?
Nope, nothing.
The debugger. Is there anything about focus? No.
No.
Oh wait, wait. Can you make the scene tree a little bit larger? Because I don't know where the fuck. Where's the look for UI group.
UI group.
Where is UI group?
UI layer?
Ah, okay. So
Do I need one of these?
that needs to be somewhere above the focus
Yeah, okay.
items. Probably
Above, so like as next to the VBox container that they're in?
no, somewhere above. Like it needs to be a parent of the VBox container or
Oh, okay.
like
That should
I mean,
be
honestly,
fine.
you could make it a child of the VBox container.
Make the UI layer a child of the VBox container?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, and then
Just
make
controls
the...
of that, yeah.
And then make all
Yeah,
the
'cause the focus
buttons
items
a child
they're
of
fine.
that. Okay.
No, you can just leave the
Oh,
buttons there.
just
You can leave the
like
buttons.
this. Okay.
Yeah, because that won't be a like position because it's in
Okay.
just a regular node. Try that.
Okay, let me just change that a little focused. So
Yeah.
it's nice for me.
You need to learn how to make a theme variation so that it's easier to do this.
Yeah.
It's actually like really quick once you figure it out.
Okay. Yeah, the theme
Like,
editing
very,
is
very
always... it always scares me.
Yeah, nothing to be scared about. It like makes it way easier to make things in Godot.
Here we go.
Does that work correctly?
Yep.
Okay, so
It's actually crazy.
yeah.
And
Yeah,
can't
so
even go
I
left
assumed
and
you would
right.
put it as a child of where the buttons were, but the yeah, it's just that they didn't have any UI layer parent, and so they weren't actually belonging to anything.
I love how it presses for like a millisecond or like a frame.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on there, but yeah, no, that's cool. Oh no, I know what's going on there. Yeah, that's cool. What am I doing? I'm like sitting here doing nothing right now.
Oh, that's cool. And it's still like if you're on mouse, it unfocuses when you're not. Oh, I like that.
And then
so
if you
much.
switch the keyboard or controller, it should go back to focusing.
Oh,
Well,
I think it's keyboard.
keyboard's weird.
Yeah, keyboard specifically.
Weird. If you hover the start button and then use keyboard, what does that do? Oh.
If I hold it down, it like kind of
don't-
works. This is hurting my ears.
I don't know why.
I tried opening the options menu to turn down the
Yeah.
volume.
Mm,
It
that's
doesn't do
funny.
anything.
You should actually be able to press escape on this menu to open up the old options.
Oh, you're right. Just turn it down a little bit. This menu looks so much better with the new font.
Yeah, it does. Yeah. New font goes crazy.
It's actually so
Okay,
nice.
what was I doing here? Oh yeah, I was spawning a chest. That's what I was doing. Chest.
Anyways, I'll let you figure that out. That's not a big deal. I just need to make the buttons actually do stuff now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I also I think I downloaded the Kenny UI pack. Let me put that in the project so we have it.
The UI pack?
UI
I
sounds.
think it's already-
UI sounds.
Oh, UI
That's not-
sounds okay. I was like, I think the Kenny UI assets are already in. But yeah, not the
Kenny
sounds.
UI assets? What Kenny UI assets?
I don't know. I think we have UI.
I
mean, we have
like
these,
the
which
input
are the
prompts, but we
yeah,
don't have
prompts.
like.
I thought that we had those are sounds. That's not
Yeah,
UI. I thought that I.
yeah. I'm actually gonna get up. I need to run to the restroom real quick. I will put you on
Alright, good
speed.
luck.
I'll be right back.
All right. Good luck. Hmm. Oh, nice. That works. Cool. That does look really weird. Hmm. Yeah, that something about the pivots like is weird. Maybe I'm. Oh, I think I know what's going on. I think I know what I can change. It's because, well, one thing is you are not that long, brother. You can just be 0.3. One, the rotation is moving in a different way than this is. And also, I think this should maybe be offset a little bit. Like, something like that. No, this should definitely be the other way around. I was... Yeah. I do think it might be moving a little bit too much though. So let's just tone that down a little bit. Like see, you move there, there, and then back down. And I can also change this to cubic, and I think this does some fun things potentially. Maybe. Who knows? Majority of the animation bugs have been resolved or have been solved. Let's fucking go. Where's the goat with it? What the hell? What is this actually? Clamp group into yeah. I also need to add a sound for this to play whenever it's locked. So export var locked sound is a audio stream, which is by default, you already fucking know, it's gonna be hello. And whenever you interact with this, it's going to play the hello sound. Oh, actually, this could be added to the animation, right? I don't want to add it to the animation. I don't like that. Audio manager dot play sound random pitch locked sound. It's funny. You've arrived. You arrived at the wrong time. JW's AFK. Lol. He said he had to go piss, so he'll be back in a moment. Allegedly. Yeah. I don't know. He's kind of like a terrible person. FGL, you ever played Magic? The Gathering? Let's see. Yeah, I'm sorry to hear that. Oh, you bought the TMNT deck recently? Oh shit, so you're like actually playing Magic. Did you see the most recent? You know what? I get to talk about this again. Thank you for saying yes. I was gonna say JW is gonna be really happy. I'm really happy that I get to talk about this new secret lair drop that we just heard about today, which is new secret lair drop. The first few I don't really care for. There's My Little Pony, but again, and then their own IP, whatever, and then Dwarf Fortress Magic the Gathering Secret Lair, the fucking ASCII version. It's beautiful, man. It's so beautiful. It's so good. I cannot wait for this. It's coming out at the end of the month, and it's $40 for the foil version, $30 for the non-foil version.
All right, I'm back. Wait,
it's pretty awesome. It is pretty
Magic?
Awesome. Yeah.
Are we hopping
He
on
said he just bought the
tabletop after
TMNT
stream?
deck.
Biddy, we need to do the 6-7 ranked speed.
What the fuck did you just say?
There's a website where you can like track how fast you can 6-7, and it'll give you like a rank and tell you like how fast you are compared to other people.
You should like go to monkey type for a little bit first instead of 6-7 ranked speed or whatever.
Nah, I bet I could 6-7 faster than you.
Okay, I'm sure that you can. I would never take any pride in being able to 6-7 faster than you.
Oh, do we have keys now?
Yeah, we've had keys. These
I
are
guess
old.
you should auto pick them up. Yeah. I think we went over this. I was going to say you should have to interact with them to pick them up, but then I changed my mind.
Yeah, I don't know. You really want to beat the furry noodle covered in hands up? Yeah, me too, dude. It doesn't get better once you meet him in person. It actually gets worse, and you're like, holy shit, I need to like kill you with my bare hands.
We survived. We survived a week.
That's true. Barely. Dude,
Barely. All right.
this motherfucker. I put on white noise on the fucking TV because I was like, I forgot my earbuds, and like it's really hard for me to sleep if there's like nothing. This motherfucker can't sleep with like. He doesn't like white noise. It wasn't even white noise. It was like one of the lower pitched ones. I don't know what the fuck it was, but
Just put like Northern Lion on it. That's fine.
no, but like that's too much. That's too much energy, man. I'm like, I need background noise. Snoring? No, he didn't snore.
Did I not?
But it's like I don't know. It feels weird because if I'm like, fuck, I need to like get up and go to the bathroom, then I'm like, I'm making noise, and him like across the hotel room is gonna like hear that. And I'm like, I don't want to like do whatever, you know, like every move I feel like.
The second I fall asleep, I do not wake up. Like
I know, but it's just like I'm like I like having the background noise, so like I know that
understandable.
there's like, especially with like how much I was coughing. I'm like,
I'm surprised.
surprised
I heard you a single time. I did not register you coughing like a single time ever. Like
no, that's crazy. Because I woke up one of the nights and I just went to the bathroom and I just like I had like a crazy coughing fit.
no, but I didn't hear any of that. So you're fine.
Sick.
Yeah, you were.
I just realized my
you were
fucking-
sick.
What?
That was so
Yeah,
funny.
that's true.
You said sick, and I was
Why'd
like,
you have
yeah.
to strangled him? Then again,
You're
you
sick.
probably did that. No, he's like it's like trying to strangle a snake. He just fucking slips away. It's weird.
Yeah, sure.
And PAX was cool. I do wish I brought my my room divider curtains. That would have been sick. Because then I would have like drawn a line between our beds and be like, do not fucking cross this line or I kill you.
But then we couldn't watch Northern Lion together.
We could. What do you mean we couldn't? It's just a fucking curtain between the beds, not between the fucking beds and the TV.
I guess you're right.
And also,
How
if
the heck would
it's,
you fit that into a suitcase, though? Is my question.
what do you mean, dude? It's just a bunch of pipes. You just like unscrew them and then they fit together. Or they like
Okay.
they lie next to each other.
You're a little weird, but it's okay.
But then you can't hold hands and watch. Brother,
He's so right.
JW can't make eye contact. That's not, I don't know if that's true actually, because I can't make eye contact.
yeah,
so-
we know.
Yeah. That's like that's one of my autism traits. It's like there's like positives and negatives. Positive is like sometimes I can close my eyes and then like untangle I can like untangle like matrix multiplications in my mind, and then like the downside is I freak out when asked what my name is whenever I'm ordering like a drink. So that's a fun
See,
one.
that's what I'm really good at doing things like that because I work in food service, so I can literally predict what like anything they'll possibly say is.
Yeah, okay, buddy. Yeah, right, buddy.
Okay, that works. Very cool. The buttons work now. Actually, it's not bad.
Okay, so chest drops work now. Chests are also, if I were to go into the level, into an actual level. So I will load into flesh. I will reveal the entire map. LT, go into loot room. It spawned a common chest. If I restart game, LT, loot room, common chest, fuck. Please eventually be not a common chest. Oh, there we go, dude. Oh, rare chest. And I can't. Where the fuck did it go?
Why did it just disappear?
I don't know, but it's still there. Is the crazy
Did
thing
it
because
like
I'm
go to
interacting with it.
0, 0? Or you're interacting?
No, it's like
Oh.
it's there. I'm interacting with it.
Is there like a hide track on the thing?
There shouldn't be. Where the fuck is it? Did that get translated?
Yep. It says
Does it say him?
No, it says her.
Oh, it says her. Okay, I remember. Yeah, I couldn't remember
Yeah.
which one was the uppercase or lowercase.
Yeah.
That's funny.
Anyways, hello Alcor. How are you doing?
Where the fuck is the chest?
Don't trust the noodle? You can trust me. I'm like so regular. We're hopping on Slay the Spire, right?
Why is this at minus 200? Who told you to be at minus 200? Me, apparently. But also, where the fuck are... Where is this? It's not hidden. Oh, its scale is 0. Oh. Whoa, you're tiny. What the hell? Oh, I know kind of what's going on, kind of. Only kind of, though.
He kind of knows what's going on, kind of.
It's because I'm doing animation player.stop. Yeah, I see.
Kenny UI audio, go. Click 1. Click 2. Where is focus elements? So yeah, I think I get the idea of how like the focus element works and stuff. Just why is the entire script commented out?
Because that's a different one. That's the one that needs to be removed. I did that because I didn't want it to fail compilation.
Okay.
Yeah, that was the focus element was the old one that the control scripts had to extend from. But yeah, I just commented out because I needed it to not throw compilation errors, and I had to change the class name so that I knew where it was being used.
Click 2, why not?
Yeah, there we go. So it does a little shake animation whenever you try to open it, and it screams hello. But if I have a key, which I don't have bound to my thing right now. Oops, that resets the chest, same button. Now I open it, it takes the key away. And then if I reset the chest now, I give myself another fucking key. Spawning a key over there. Now I can't open it because I don't have a key. Hooray!
Very cool.
I do really like being able to turn on and off collision mid-game. It's so nice, actually. Huh?
Not change the sounds.
What's up?
Oh, oops, I changed the wrong sound. Hold up, never mind.
Why did you change it in the script?
Because I'm changing the default.
You're changing the default to not be obnoxious and loud?
Yes.
Okay.
Because in general, all buttons will have the same sound.
Okay. Sure, dude. Whatever
And
the
then there'll
fuck
be
you say,
some
man.
special ones that'll have.
Whatever, dude.
sound.
If you want, it's fine.
Alright, bro.
Type shit.
Why is it hello?
What?
Still playing the sound. Why is it not? Let me check. Focus item. Vector sounds. Oh, I see. So for some reason these don't reset. Although
Yeah, I guess not.
they should. But it's fine. We don't have a
it's
whole
because
lot
it's-
of other focus items, do we?
Not really, no.
Okay. Just want to make sure there's not
Probably.
like a bunch of other ones that I have to change.
Probably not.
Would this also apply for like things in this like the settings menu?
It will, yeah. I don't think it does currently. but maybe. Does the settings menu have the hellos?
No. Oh, wait,
You lied
it has
to
the
me.
sounds now. It didn't have the hellos
Yeah.
before. Maybe it did.
It does currently. What a terrible cacophony of my voice. Am I running out of
Hey,
steam?
let me pause my music. Listen to this. It's already so much better.
All right, let me hear it. Let me put you on stream real quick.
It might be a
All
little
right,
quiet. Let me just.
I'm gonna pause my music, and then I'm gonna. Can you do off, like nowhere else? Go somewhere, and then just hover over the button once.
Wait, I think it's.
Like just hover it once. Don't do anything else.
Oh, okay.
I mean, one. Yeah.
I think it's playing the. It's playing a different sound when it unhovers than when it hovers.
Yeah. Because there are two different sounds.
There's
focus and unfocus.
Oh.
Yeah, focus and unfocus.
Oh, well, what about like when you click?
That's not a thing right now.
Oh, okay. Then that would be useful because I'm like, I want a sound when you click. Because I was thinking, I'm dumb. I was thinking this one was clicked.
Yeah, I mean, you can just
like,
do that if you want. Is there a signal there called pressed or clicked or anything?
No.
No. That's
I
funny.
don't think so. Yeah, no.
I don't know, man.
But you're the programmer. You're supposed to know.
Just like add an export variable for it with like a to-do note that's just like yo dog, click, or add the pressing thing.
Let's see how this one sounds.
Excuse me. Wait, no more of that.
This guy hates me.
Yes, sir.
Sounds awful. That sounds awful. Sounds awful.
And then what do we want to do on room end, by the way?
I don't know. On room end? What do you mean on room end?
Oh,
you mean like when you
oh,
can
it's the
yeah.
yeah, I see. The chance.
So chance to drop extra thing and maybe card drop.
Yeah, card drop on every room makes sense.
Yeah, maybe just do the same.
Yeah, because currently it's spawning a chest. I guess we don't want it to.
Yeah. Listen to the music. Oh, I forgot it doesn't. It's so annoying. It doesn't reset the sounds here.
Yeah, you should be able to highlight all of those focus items and reset them all at once, by the way, if you like control click them.
Do you know why it does that? Because I feel like it normally doesn't.
I think it's just something with the fact that you have the. It may be a tool script issue. It may be the fact that you have the scene open. There's like probably just a bunch of things part of it that is what's causing it.
Mm-hmm.
Brother, that's what the export variables are for. You could just like set them, and then once you find the one that you like, you can like make them the permanent sound.
By the way, I can't do all of them at once for some reason, even though they're all the same.
Okay, I don't know. Be better, I guess. Why is this an on-ready load again? I don't know. I think there has to be a reason that it's an on-ready load. Card drop. Scene is a back scene.
Also, I think it should only be on focus. Not on focus and unfocus, because you're not listening. But like if I go to this one and then go to this one, it'll play the sound twice, because it'll play once to unfocus and then once again to refocus this one. I think it should only play a sound on focus. Which I can just like kill this.
So I think what you should do is have it be 2 different flags, like a play focus sound, play unfocused sound.
Oh, on here.
Because cards.
I mean, yeah, there might
whenever
be
the card
some,
gets
yeah.
focused and unfocused, it's a different sound. Like certain things, I think having the option to do both is.
We'll just do display to false by default.
Yeah, and then can you also move it down a line so that they're. It's like
what?
play sound.
Oh, so it's like.
Yeah, move that down a line. Yeah.
Where do we?
And it should just be unfocused or unfocused or some shit.
Yeah, I see.
Card drop not T-skin. So we are fixing the UI? Yeah, kinda. JW's doing a UI change to the start menu. I have done like a system-wide UI change so that the UI is more consistent. That was like what I did over the last couple of weeks, was making that not shit ass. So hopefully it's there. Hopefully it's not shit ass. I guess JW can probably say whether or not it's shit ass, but
Yeah.
it seems like it's not that shit ass.
These sounds are like pretty awful, I'm not gonna lie.
Give him like a big crush or something.
That's not gonna keep. We might have to
What?
kill you.
Okay.
They're just like not good sounds. There's no like you put a big crusher on it to make it sound good. That's not how that works.
That is a thing.
It did.
It
Okay.
did. Or said it did.
Sure.
Perhaps with the it did.
Alright. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 For sure. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shit, it did spawn a card pack. Nice.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Are you
Whoa,
adding,
dude.
like end of room spawns?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Why don't you use a VST to modify the sounds? Oh yeah, can you load VSTs in Godot?
I don't think that's what they were saying, but
I'm just curious.
maybe.
I mean, you'd have to use like some sort of DAW, whether like a
Yeah, I mean, yes,
Studio
I'll
type
replace
DAW or
them.
like an Audacity.
Yeah, I just wanted to get something placeholder that sounds nice. Yeah, I have Audacity and Cubase that I could use. I usually use Audacity for sounds.
Oh shit, this is the shop. Oh. Oh yeah, I forgot. We need to let people know what room they're about to run into.
Yeah.
That's something we need to do at some
I think
point
just like a
soon.
little door.
Little door.
But like, so like the door that's closed there.
Mm-hmm. Like, do you think it should be a different texture based on
Yeah,
what
like
the
a different
room
texture based
is
on
when
what
it's
the room
unlocked?
is, and then when you walk up to the door, like automatically opens, but just like something that just like it keeps you from going in immediately.
Mhm.
There you go. This sounds a bit nicer.
If I do force in room, does it spawn that? No. It's fine. That's the boss room. Hello, boss room.
It also plays the card. Wait, does it play? Yeah, okay, it's when you open up the menu. Wait, why did it? Why did it change which card was highlighted? Huh?
If your cursor's hovering, a different one, I think, mayhaps.
But it wasn't.
No, I don't know.
Okay, so it's I hover. If I hover this one, I close it and reopen it. It's now hovering the energy drink. Then if I hover over this one, and then close and reopen it, it's now hovering this one. I do this one. Now what about this one?
Oh, what?
What about this one? Okay, so if I do that, yeah. Interesting. I don't know what it's doing, but that's pretty cool.
I don't either, to be honest. I don't know how that one...
It's very cool.
What? That's weird. Big UI fan. What was I doing?
Yeah, like
oh,
a
yeah.
line click would be nice, because also like when you click on these, it should like play a little sound.
Yeah. Does this have like a random velocity?
And
Or
like
is this,
in a project, the most painful thing to do is sleep. Yeah, it's true. We should play the Slay the Spire daily so that way I can go to bed.
Almost, buddy. We got a commander game to play tonight.
Dog, I don't work at 6 tomorrow. But sure, I'm
What?
down.
You know you want to play
I
commander.
only
Ooh,
work
you want to play
Oh, wait, do I
commander.
work for 4 hours or 5 hours? Let's see. That'll be. I think only 4. I think it's only 4 hours.
6 hours or... Well,
I don't need sleep at all. It's okay. 6 or 7 hours, and it's okay. I did my taxes, so I don't need sleep because I did my taxes. That's how that works, guys. Does anybody else still need to do their taxes?
me.
I was talking to the chat.
Okay. Apparently anybody else doesn't include Bitlytics, by the way,
Yep,
just in
yep.
case anyone was curious.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, I also want to... I want to revisit those fucking the eyeballs. I still don't think you killing them with a melee attack should cause them to immediately explode on you.
I think.
Because then you're incentivized to never hit them, which makes not a whole lot of sense. Because then you're just like, okay, well, they're like kind of a non-interaction. You just kind of run by them.
Yeah. The one thing with Gungeon that I like is how like when they dive towards you, they kind of just like they kind of instantly explode when they dive towards you. So if you don't kill them, they pretty much guaranteed hit you.
Don't.
What?
They do a dive towards you. They don't instantly do it. It's like once they hit the ground, they do like an explosion.
Yeah, but it's fairly hard to like run past them and just like dodge them.
Yeah.
Whereas
Well, you can roll.
The
Roll gives you
eyeballs,
invuln frames.
the eyeballs, like you can just run right past them and they won't hurt you.
Yeah.
But I don't know.
I'm the worm tamer.
Alright.
I'm taming the worms.
When are the worms getting rewritten?
What do you mean? What do they need to be rewritten about? Like, what about them?
Yeah,
Just kidding.
they're pretty much
They-
fine.
No, they do need to be rewritten. I think
Yeah.
that they should probably, like... They should definitely move around in the wall more and then, like, launch out of the wall at you, I think. It'd be
Yeah,
a little bit more interesting than whatever they're doing now.
something like that. And then also we need to figure out like the particles and stuff. Because they're currently colored for the red area and nowhere else.
Mm-hmm.
That's actually something we probably want to have for the demo. We want to just change real quick. Just have a flag that's
Yeah.
like, if it's this level, do this. If it's this level, do that. Just something
Yeah, I
simple.
mean, we have things like that right now in the floor info. Like, we have the colors and things. So maybe. I think I'm losing steam a little bit, so I might...
Yeah, it's okay.
done
I got
streaming.
plenty done today.
Oh,
I got like
hello,
5
Pixel
items.
Bits. Sorry, lol. What'd you say?
Look at all these items we have now. Look at all the items.
Whoa!
Wait, what the?
Uh-huh.
The zapper. is
Oh
the
my
cat
god,
toy.
it shocks the fucking cat toy. That's fire.
That's actually kind of fire. Hold up.
Well, now we have to have things that you can attack in the hub so that whenever you go between levels, if you're ever in like the hub, I don't know if we're using the hub for between levels, kind of like what Void Igo does. It's kind of fire.
I mean,
To have
maybe
things that
we
you can just like,
could have
Right.
like train stations between the levels where you can like buy.
Yeah.
That's actually a good idea. We should totally do that.
use that as like a save point as well.
Yeah.
So
I
you
like
can't
that.
save between 1, 2, and 3, but once you beat the boss, you save your run in between.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm writing that
Look at all
down.
These look so cool.
Hub area. Or hub area. Train station between major quarters. We could also. Actually, hold on, let me finish.
And there's still a bite taken out of my heart. That's okay.
Yeah, I don't know what's up with that.
I'd say we
Sorry,
probably
let me
just
look at this.
because I'm pretty sure it's only at this one like weird resolution. Sometimes
Size.
it does it depending on the size, but it's only like every few.
The problem is I don't know why it's doing it.
Yeah, I don't know either. So
Because
I
it's-
wouldn't worry about it unless like a very common screen resolution has that issue. Because I only run into it when I have it in windowed mode at this very specific resolution that I just happen to use for streaming.
Is it because it's a sprite?
I mean, what do you mean?
Why is it a sprite? It's a
What else
no,
would
it could be a text direct. I guess this needs to be an atlas texture, but
Why don't you lock the resolution to specific sizes in the settings? Because I like games that let you resize the window. I absolutely hate it when I open a game and you go to windowed mode and it just makes you lock the size.
he hates it because he has an ultra wide monitor.
No, that's not why. Because you can't like, you can't just like say, oh, I want to double tap it and make it the size of my full screen. Like even on like a regular size monitor, it won't work because the actual resolution of a window, if it's like 1920 by 1080, the window like doesn't fit on your screen.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like,
Do I have any global
do I have
auto
a way to
loads?
set this-
If so,
we don't have a way to set the resolution to something specific, right?
kind of, but not really.
Okay. I just wanted
We
to see,
have
like,
it saves your window size and position in the settings. So if you went to the settings, you can override that and like set it to something else. And then when you
That's
open the
fine.
game, it'll be a different size.
Actually, we can do that real quick. Let's say
Holy shit, he remembered
open
where it
user
is.
data
That's actually so cool.
folder settings.
Yeah, we do have global auto loads. We don't have. Well, we have actually quite a few, but I'd like to get rid of some of these still. A lot of these aren't needed.
Wait, what are the? Oh, are these the corners?
What's up? So the first two are the position. The
Oh, okay.
second two are the
Okay,
size,
so
I
1920,
believe. It-
1080.
what was the? What were the first? What were the second two numbers? Actually, what were the numbers?
2585, 1343.
That doesn't feel right, but maybe. I guess you can save it and find out. It should automatically swap the size once it loads in.
Yeah, there we go. That worked. So see, this
Yeah.
is 1920 by 1080. You're not going to be able to see it. If I go put it,
Mhm.
I guess this isn't. I thought my other screen was 1920 by 1080. I might be able to.
Yeah. Here's all of our auto loads though. So some of them are just like ones that shouldn't be auto loads. Like this one's not even used anymore, I'm pretty sure. Save data shouldn't be an auto load. We're not even using this. We're using a global signal bus. We are we? Are we using the global signal bus anymore?
Yes.
We are for things that shouldn't be. Shake cam should not be a signal bus thing, and change player health. I don't even think. Yeah, this one doesn't actually do anything,
Change by all. I
and
thought it
this
was.
one shouldn't be here. This one is being used and map maximized, so these two are basically the only ones that we're using. And I don't. Both of those were added in a rush of panic that was a deadline. So we'll probably come back and revisit this. I doubt that they're going to stay like this. Who are you? Oh. But yeah, I wanted to check this out really quickly. GW.
Which really
Do me a favor. Oh, what's up?
Yeah. I just. The loot box is supposed to give you a completely. Oh, it does. Okay. It was just only giving me weapon cards for some reason. There we go. Okay. It's supposed to give you a. Oh wait, I just realized. Adding more loot boxes both gives you more items, or more cards, but also more stickers.
Oh, interesting.
It's kind of sick actually,
though. Can you do me a favor whenever you get a moment?
Oh, also, sorry, one more bug that I forgot to show you that is very cool. Oh, I can't go back to, I can't level. Let's just go to the, here. This is like, yeah, this will work. Cards, bowling ball.
I'll put you on screen.
Here, I'll make it big.
Since we're gonna be here for a moment, it seems. Okay.
Enemy spawn, enemy. Ground enemy fire.
Oh.
Yeah. What? The crit is based on per hit, not per like attack.
What? I thought I coded it in a way that it wouldn't have been.
So it stacks. Okay. So if you have a bunch of enemies,
that's the same thing that the shard used to do.
Going up, yeah.
That's fun.
And the number gets like exponentially bigger because I think I forgot to. I think the code on the.
Can you do me a favor then?
The size for the.
Can you do me a favor?
Is broken.
LT. Yeah. Shift R LT. Room boss. Yeah, room shop is exactly what I said actually. Just hit that motherfucker with a bowling ball. I don't remember if he would. I didn't crit. That's the crit.
Yeah,
so bad at like making angles. I just want to. You're so bad at this, brother. I just want to see the number go crazy on the boss. he's hitting him with the worst angles possible. He's like, yeah, perpendicular time.
Also seems like it's not. Is it based on which bowling ball hits him? I can't tell. So,
I don't know.
But yeah, either way, something with the crits is not right. But the bowling ball.
So can you do me a favor?
Around, you know?
So, while you're here, can you go to the health or the heart container scene?
Yep.
All right. Can you go to the 2D view? So hide the sprite, just to make sure that we're hiding the sprite. And then take a look at the. Yeah, you can add a texture.
Okay. Yeah. What I was doing.
Yeah. New Atlas texture. New Atlas texture. And then you can load in the heart sheet.
Shield sheet or a heart sheet.
Shield sheet. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, but just do that one. Edit region. And then change that motherfucker to grid snap in the top left.
Where do I?
Yep. All right, close.
Okay.
Yep. Set the custom minimum size to 6464. Okay. Change the. Set the control anchor to top left.
Top left.
Yeah. And then set the. Oh my god, where is it? The stretch mode of the texture rect to keep aspect. Okay, and then can you go back into your game and see if it looks fucked up?
They're gone.
They're gone? Okay, that's fine, because I guess it didn't get changed. But can you, before you restart game? Okay, or just do it quickly, I guess.
Wait, what?
I was gonna have you do something else before you restarted the game, but it's fine.
Oh, okay. Nope.
So hide the sprite, or unhide the sprite and hide the sprite again. Okay, hide the texture rect.
I guess I just save it for it to like actually do anything.
Okay, and then if you unhide the texture rect, it's still fucked up with the weird thing. If you change the size a little bit, like to 65, 65.
Now it's back.
Okay, 63, 63.
Now it's gone.
Okay. I don't know.
What if I like?
I'm like really trying to figure out what the fuck's going on with it and why it's.
I like move it around.
Wait, what's the?
Okay, that doesn't. That it doesn't. If I move it, it doesn't have the thing. Yeah, moving it makes it disappear.
Do me a favor and right click the. Actually, that won't really work. Change the custom minimum size of the control, the base control, to the base control. Yeah.
Yeah.
Change it like change it to like 32, 32 or some shit.
The break stuff.
Still has a
but
bite
still,
taken
yeah,
out of it.
still has a bite taken
Change
out
the
Do I change this back?
set. Yeah. Change the on the base control. Change the vertical stretch property under container sizing. Change that to fill.
Nope.
Fill expand and or horizontal expand. Try just one at a time. No, never mind. Neither of them will do it.
Nope.
I really don't know why. I'm really trying to figure out why the fuck it is dead. Like why it's taken a bite out of the heart.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because there's no material on the thing. A base texture rect has an issue with it.
Have you tried looking it up at all to see if anybody else has the issue?
I have not. I wonder,
Okay,
if you do me a favor, can
Yeah.
you, do we have just like a regular ass, oh, actually, no, do this. Go to the texture rect.
Actually, it could be like an Atlas issue.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to try to rule out now. So select the Atlas.
Although the sprite is not using an Atlas, it's using this.
It is.
I guess technically, no.
It is an Atlas.
I
Like
guess.
that's just how sprites do things. It is just an
Okay.
Atlas. So can you go to the Atlas itself that's in that? So click on the drop down arrow next to the Atlas.
This?
Yep. New gradient texture 2D. Set the size of that to 48 by 32. Just so it's the same size as the original. And then save it and see what that looks like in game if it's broken. Oh, I guess you're gonna have to reload because it doesn't update it. I want to take a bite out of Biddy, not gonna lie. What the fuck are you saying, Master Liberty? What the hell? Fucking Master Freakity.
Master Freakity. Yeah, it has a bite taken out of it.
Okay,
So
that's
it looks
fine.
like that,
So
and but it's also got like a.
Yep.
It's
Yeah,
not
it's
like
a
a
weird thing.
straight
Oh wait, I
cut.
wonder. Wait a minute. Hold on. Can you go to the texture mode of the canvas item? The texture rect.
The canvas item of the texture.
Yeah, go to your canvas item texture rect. Oh yeah, texture rect canvas item texture. And then change the texture. Yep. Change the repeat to something else. Disabled.
Disabled. Oh.
Yeah.
I don't
Try
think it's gonna make
all
it.
of them like one by one. Is mainly what I was thinking.
No. Nope.
Okay, that's fine. I have an idea of something. Okay, yeah, you can kill that. It's fine. That won't matter.
Okay.
Okay, so next thing I want you to try is two things. So can you scroll all the way back up to the top of the texture? And then replace the Atlas texture with a gradient texture 2D with a size set to 16:16. And you're gonna have to restart the game again.
I love the highlight sound. It's already so much better. Yeah, still bite
Okay,
taken out of it. So it's
that's
not
fine.
a
I think I
Atlas
know what's
issue.
happening. I think I have an idea for what's happening. Can you
Okay.
go to healthbar.tscn?
Could it be the
Go to
container?
the heart container.
Heart container, heart shield container.
No, the heart container.
Heart container. Heart container. Yeah.
Yes. Go to scroll down theme override. Change the separation to 0.
It'd be really funny if that's the issue.
No, okay, change the separation to like 4. Which I think is the default. Maybe not.
No, and they are separated.
Make it hella separated. Like make it a lot.
432 works, I guess. Yeah, no.
It doesn't have clip children on, I'm assuming. That would be under visibility. No. What about the... Actually, I can check this while I'm here. It's so weird. It's so weird because it only happens on your end. I have never seen it
It's
on
because
mine.
of the specific resolution that it's at.
It might be. Go to heart shield container, so the parent above that. Change the separation, like reset the separation.
It shouldn't make a difference. You know, because this
Okay,
is like
no,
this is
yeah,
between
yeah.
the
I imagine
hearts and
so.
the
I just-
shields,
yeah.
so
I
I don't think this would either.
change the separation of the V-box. Did you try that already?
Can. It's just gonna do that. Yeah, that's definitely not gonna make
Okay,
a
that's
difference.
fine.
Container sizing.
Try changing those actually. Yeah, see what happens if you just like make them both fill.
Fill. You know.
Nothing. I doubt it would be the margin container. I'd be a very surprised person if it was the margin container, but 'cause I genuinely have no clue what could be causing that. It does look like a masking issue. What's really interesting about it is that it looks like it's like cutting it on like the triangle or like on a triangle. It's
Yeah.
actually, I'm curious about something. Can you let me zoom in on your stream really quickly. What would be the best way to test this? Hold on, I'm thinking about what this would look like on my end. I wanted you to try this. Yeah, I think that would be it. Can you go back into your editor and the texture rect for the heart container?
Yeah.
It's in the heart container scene. Yeah. Can you drag that top left point down to the bottom? Save it. Yeah, and then see. Does can you take can you take a screenshot of it, please? And send it to me so I can see what it actually looks like on real resolution.
Yeah.
I was worried. So the thing that I'm checking for here was I was curious if the clipping that was happening here, if because it looks like there's a triangle like this.
Yeah,
being
but
drawn.
there's like that weird little corner bit.
Yeah, so I was thinking that maybe what this weird corner was is it was like a messed up UV mask or like a UV mapping that was messed up, but it looks like it's still using the correct coordinates of the texture. Which is really fucking weird that it's not rendering properly. I genuinely have no fucking clue.
I don't know either.
And it's so annoying. It's so annoying that I can't replicate it on my side because if I set my window to specifically your size, I don't believe it works.
Let's try it. Let's try it. Do we try? We
Yeah.
didn't try setting it the exact size.
I think we did.
I
but I'll
don't
try it
remember
again.
doing that. Here, I'll send you the exact size in here. I'll just copy this. Yes, that makes sense. You might have to change the position.
Yeah.
So it's
What
not
are the?
way
Oh,
off
did you
screen.
send it to me on Discord?
Yeah. Yes, yeah, so it just so okay. It does. Here, just found another one. Where's that? There's.
What the fuck are you saying?
I'm trying to find other places where it does that.
Oh yeah, it's based on the position as well. I see.
Yeah. Oh, is it based on the position as well? Oh, I should try that. Yeah.
Since this is a heart bug in a CAD game, does that make it a tick? I hope not.
Okay, now
But
this one's
maybe.
straight across. It doesn't have a little thing in the corner.
Oh really? It's just like a
And
clean
position
cut?
does not make a difference.
Okay,
That's
so
what
it's
it
just
looks
size.
like from what I can see. There might be like there's no little corner bit. It's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Also, the
there's
game
definitely no
isn't
corner bit.
starting for me because of this, I guess. Whatever, dude. You can be a variable. I don't care. I don't give a fuck. Do I look like someone who gives a fuck about this?
Meow.
Okay.
Not bad game.
Why is this failing? Oh, I know why this is failing. Lol. That's why this is an on-ready load.
And I would look this up, but like, how do I even like look this up? Like, oh, Godot bite taken out of my sprite. Like,
Godot
hello.
got hungry and ate my Sprite, but only half of it.
Godot drank my McDonald's Sprite.
Yeah, dude.
Now I want
reload
McDonald's
this
Sprite.
bitch, and,
I feel like
you're
McDonald's
fucking-
Sprite is kind of overglazed. Like, it's not all that. Like, it's pretty good, but
a little
like,
bit.
Coke Zero, that's where it's at.
Alright, buddy.
I had some Coke Zero with my lunch today. It was pretty good.
Oh, I forgot that those made sound. Goodbye sound. So funny thing, this isn't. Oh, I know why this part isn't working. It's because of
You could also look to see like if there's anything specific about the numbers that cause it. Like, are they divisible by a certain number? I don't see how that would be very useful, but like at least there's a pattern. Actually, that sounds like a lot of work. I'm not doing that.
this thing. This is why it's at least eating my patience. I'll run this really quickly. It's all about the syrup to water ratios. Yeah. Only slightly though. It's all about the glitch. Why is it still fucking maximized? Give me a window. Can I set a window size, resize? Oh. That's weird. I can make it larger than my monitor size. If
Should
I
keep moving it around to see if you can get it to the
yeah, if
size
I
so it
do
doesn't-
move, oh, I just moved it. Oops. If I let me Linux this bitch really quickly.
What are you doing?
More actions, resize.
Okay, I see. Move it like up and down as well, like left to right and up and down, not just like size.
This is as far as up and down I can go.
Okay.
Like size wise. I guess I could drag it off the screen and then.
Yeah, I do like that. I mean, it should be noticeable if if it happens that you can probably drag it a little more than that. Just like make circles with it.
The problem is like you can see that the window doesn't update while it's being resized.
Oh, interesting. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah. Linux moment.
Windows kind of does
also
that
you
too,
can use
but-
like those homemade soda machines to make it. My experience, Taco Bell uses more syrup in their dews, and McDonald's use more in Dr. Pepper and Sprite. Yeah. I know Sonic Dr. Pepper is always like really weird. I don't know why. It's like it always tastes different to me.
Yeah, this
It's not even like it's
just
less
doesn't
syrup,
work.
it's just like different.
You know, I'm not getting a bite taken out of my fucking thing. It's weird.
Interesting.
I
Did you
Yeah, I don't know.
you couldn't figure out how to
like-
get the exact size that I had?
No. I mean, like I could. I'll just do this. Fuck it. There's. It's trying to exact size. Yeah, there we go. There's
Trying.
exact size, I guess. What's,
Let me just try something.
yeah.
What if I move it to my other monitor? No, that doesn't make a difference at all. It still has it.
I wonder if it's like a graphics card thing.
It could be. That's possible. That'd be
Let's
weird,
see.
but
Widow cutting texture in half sometimes.
sometimes. Hold up.
What did I have you set the texture rect scaling to again? I don't remember. Stretch mode keep.
I think.
What if you made it scale instead?
Okay.
I was never book
Nope.
smart, I'm money smart.
Even tile does it.
That's fire.
So it's definitely not something with like the texture, I feel like.
Yeah, it's definitely like an issue with.
And I mean, as I
Yes,
said, I
rendering.
think it's probably fine because it only happens at weird random resolutions. Like if I full screen it on my monitor, it's fine. If I full screen it on my other monitor, it's fine. If I full screen it on my other
What are the
monitor,
numbers you sent me actually? 2585, 8, 1343. What are the chances? Well, this one definitely can't be. Never mind. I was gonna say, what are the chances that this number's prime? But at 100%, the first one definitely isn't because it ends in 5. Is 1343 prime? Is not.
hmm?
No. That's so fucking funny. No.
Fix it, Biddy.
That's
Yeah, that's so
so
true. Biddy
good.
should fix it.
Is it because
But
it's like
no.
a weird... What is this factors of 1343? Oh, brother. just what if? Can you do me a favor?
Mm-hmm.
Can you go to your player script?
Mm-hmm.
Player.good.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, in physics process, under the debug utils.is debug section, can you do an if input.is action, just press debug 1? You don't actually have to put it in yeah, you can put it there, it's fine. Are you typing one-handed right now or something?
No.
Okay,
I'm just holding onto my magic cards while I'm typing.
Brother.
Sorry, I was
Debug
fidgeting
1.
with them.
You might need to be killed, I won't lie to you. And then can you do get window dot size dot y is equal to
You sure that's it? That was size. Dot. There's no dot y on size, but
there should be.
okay.
You can just do it and then space and equals. What are two prime numbers? 13 and 17. 13 times 17.
13 times 17.
Like just yeah. Okay, yeah, just forget the other digit in that number that I told you to type in.
Oh, 17. Yeah.
Yeah, and then hit Q.
That's a lot of
Okay.
errors.
That's very small. Oops. What is? Okay, resize your window. Make that bitch larger.
Larger?
Like just maximize it. Or do whatever so it stops doing whatever the fuck issues it's doing right now.
I don't know what it's doing, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, just like resize your window back to maximize, brother. There you go. But maximize it, you motherfucker. What are you doing? Just like make it not small.
Okay. What I don't...
Seeing you try to like move around on your computer with any notion of
But like,
speed is
why
kinda
am I
crazy.
maximizing it? We just made it smaller. I thought we wanted to make it
Yeah,
smaller.
well, because if you make it small, there's like it seems like it's having issues right now. I don't know if you noticed that Godot started having issues the second that you made it small.
That seems to be fine.
Okay. Clear the error or the console so it doesn't.
This looks fine.
Why did it make it small?
What? 'Cause
Casual
I made it
stroke,
small?
yeah.
'Cause I
No,
made
like
it...
why did it make it super small? It didn't make it the right amount of small, I think. What is
this? This is the right amount of small.
No, just stop for a second.
What it?
So 13 times 17 isn't supposed to be that small, I thought. But maybe I'm
My
wrong.
monitor is pretty big.
17 times
17
Why
times
did
13.
hold on, sorry. What is the
This is a very large monitor.
sorry, let me get the numbers together really quickly. 17 and 79 are the numbers. Okay, so what's another try 19's prime, right? Yeah, try 19 times 79.
19 times 79.
Yep, give that a shot. Okay, that one's not fucked up.
Nope.
And if you were to do 17 times 79.
Nope.
Is it gonna have a byte taken out of what?
It's fine. I just did it.
Can you put it back to your regular size that you have it? That's the and if you press Q right now.
I'm pressing Q.
Okay, yeah. So now go back to your code and change that back to 19 times 79. Your width is off. Okay, that's weird.
I think it's something to do with the scale. Or wait, because it does. No, it doesn't change size, but it looks like it changes size a little
Oh,
bit. No.
can you do this for me actually? Close the game.
Yeah.
Go to project settings.
Mm-hmm.
Sorry, I don't know if
Oh,
do
thank
I have
you
you
for
on
opening
stream.
on my
I
other
don't.
monitor.
Me on my stream. Display window. Viewport scaling. Scroll down. Change it to viewport. Yeah, like sorry, stretch. It's a stretch mode.
Oh.
Change it from canvas items to viewport.
Viewport.
Yeah. See if that does anything different. Curious. It's gonna look weird. It's gonna be like, I think, wider by a decent bit. Doesn't really look that stretched.
It's fine now.
I think if you were to drag the window size, oh no, that's fine. Mostly. Change the go into the project settings again. And set that viewport width and height to the size that you sent me, which is 2585 1343.
Well, that's the size. That's this size here.
Yeah, I know. Change the viewport size to that.
Okay, 20. What is it? 25, 85. 85. 5.
Yep, 2585 and 1343.
Okay. Is that update real time or no?
Yeah, you can change it to be only scale by whole numbers, but I kind of hate that. You have to restart the project. I kind of hate that because then you end up with like, if someone wants to play the game at like their full resolution, it just like looks weird sometimes because it'll just be like only taking up like 3/4 of the window and the rest of it's just like empty, like just space.
I mean, doesn't that just set it back to the number that was in the settings, not whatever was in here?
What?
Like
that is the number that's in the settings.
No, the game settings, not the project settings.
So the viewport width and height, it determines the actual in-game rendering. Like
oh, I see.
Yeah, like if you were to change that to like 4 and 4, it would be like really weird.
You're right.
Okay.
Yeah. This is what changes when you change the. Or no, it doesn't. Never mind.
It does some shit. It's
yeah, it's fine.
So canvas items doesn't work. Or yeah, canvas items doesn't work, but viewport does. Interesting. Do you notice any difference actually if you close the game and just do, or if you run the game with just canvas item scaling, you turned on the integer scaling mode, it's gonna look terrible.
Well, yeah, I wanted to see what that would do.
I think it leaves like just empty space on the outside of the window sometimes.
Oh, that's very cool.
But that's why we don't use integer scaling mode. It makes it like clean.
Yeah, it makes it pixel perfect.
Probably. Yeah. But
Actually, now that I think about it, if I do that, and I want to see what happens, it looks like if I put it like on my other monitor or full screen it, because we might want to have that as an option for if people want it to be pixel perfect. Because I know that's something that they do in Gungeon, where you can be like, I want it to match the pixel size on my screen and not be weird. And I do.
So the one thing that we'll have to do for that is we'll have to do some viewport shenanigans because 1920 by 1080 doesn't go cleanly into your monitor resolution.
What do you mean?
So if you full screen it.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. It doesn't.
So your monitor resolution doesn't integer. Like 1920 by 1080 is like a 1.5 times to your whatever.
Yeah. Let me see what else I put it like on my other one.
Yeah. So we'd have to do something.
Some weird stuff.
The fact all the sprites bounce differently slightly annoys you. Yeah. Make it consistent at some point.
Wait, what? Bounce differently?
What? The train and Dante bounce differently. They're like off. And also the cat. They're like
I
all
think the cat
decent.
and Dante are the same. I guess not.
No.
That's fine. They aren't intended to. Some of them are slower because like they're, I mean, like slower is like lazy big fat characters, and faster is like Dante and.
Okay, buddy. All right. Well, anyways, yeah, we're gonna probably end stream here.
Just keep that on viewport, assuming that works. I mean,
maybe. I don't know. I don't know exactly what the differences are entirely.
That's good to know. Or yeah, we'll figure that out.
Yeah.
But at least we know like kind of what's probably causing it.
A little bit, yeah. I think it's
or
just
at least
some,
what we can do to fix it.
yeah, brother.
But yes, that sounds good.
Ignore changes and just go. All right. So we're gonna end the stream here, and then we will be back on Thursday, same time.
This is true.
Good night, people.